overnight VWAP cutting clean. Previous day mark, keep the levels keen. VOC sent to VAH, climbing steep. VAL down under where the buyers keep. Opening range 930, marking the fight. 45 it closes, watch the labels light. Initial balance dashed in bold. Dashboard ticking numbers, watch the story told. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level true. That's how it's done. Come on. Can't stop. The tick don't lie. Can't stop. The values lie. POC, VAH, VAL. We ride the way. Can't stop. VTC. Every day. Randy calling ranges, Evan on the screen. Austin running live, sharpest that I've seen. Asia high and low. London do the same. All-time high extended. We don't play the game. Strong down. Outside range. Dashboard flashing clear. While the other guys are drawing lines out here. We got tick level data, not a guess, not a claim. POC, VAH, VAL. That's the only A. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level truth. That's how it's done. Hey. Can't stop. The tick don't lie. Can't stop. The values lie. POC, VAH, VAL. We ride the way. Can't stop. VTC. Every day. Come on, come on, hey! Don't lie. VAH. Don't lie. VAL. Don't lie. Tick level, multiply. Can't stop. The tick don't lie. Can't stop. The values live. POC, VAH, VAL. We ride the wave. Can't stop. VTC. Every day. Can't stop. Better every day. Tick by tick. Can't stop. VTC. Can't stop. Oh yeah, all right. Locked in, calm, focused and tight. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Setting up the level, watching how it's playing. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Patience is the edge, that's the truth I'm saying. VWAP rolling, pull back, calling my name. Inside bar telling me the range is the same. 2 losses, I'm done, no revenge in the game. Discipline and patience, that's the way through the flame. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. This is the life I'm chasing. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. We're trading on. Steady night, VWAP cutting clean. Previous day mark, keep the levels keen. VOC sent to VAH, climbing steep. VAL down under where the buyers keep. Opening range 930, marking the fight. 45 at closest, watch the labels light. Initial balance dashed in bold. Dashboard ticking numbers, watch the story told. Week VWAP rising, month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level true. That's how it's done. Come on. Can't stop. The tick don't lie. Can't stop. The value's high. VOC, VAH, VAL. We ride the way. Can't stop. VTC. Every day. Randy calling ranges, Evan on the screen. Austin running live. Sharpest that I've seen. Asia high and low. London do the same. All-time high extended. We don't play the game. Strong down. Outside range. Dashboard flashing clear. While the other guys are drawing lines out here. We got tick level data. Not a guess, not a claim. VOC, VAH, VAL. That's the only A. Week VWAP rising. Month VWAP 2. Start of the year. The high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level truth. That's how it's done. Hey. Can't stop. The tick don't lie. Can't stop. The value's high. VOC, VAH, VAL. We ride the way. Can't stop. VTC. Every day. Come on, come on. Hey. Don't lie. VAH. Don't lie. VAL. Don't lie. Tick level, multiply. Can't stop. The tick don't lie. Can't stop. The value's live. VOC, VAH, VAL. We ride the wave. Can't stop. VTC. Every day. Can't stop. Better every day. Tick by tick. Can't stop. VTC. Can't stop. One line, one mind, Irie. Come, let me tell you how I found my way. Used to have my chart looking like a Christmas tree. 10 indicators, still couldn't find the key. Banging my head against the wall every single day. Chasing every signal, watch my discipline decay. Then I found ASFX, found BSC2. Thought I needed more tools, but they told me something true. Strip it all away, let the chart be clean. Only thing you need is that 930 VWAP scene. Clear my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my peace. All I need is the VWAP, yeah. VWAP, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Wait for the range, let it set. Right side of the line, no regret. BSC showed me, now I know. Discipline is the only edge. 15 minutes, let the opening range be still. Patience is the muscle, got to build up the skill. Buying on the right side when the value is clear. Not 100 signals screaming in my ear. Austin told me, Evan told me, Randy told me too. It ain't about the tools, it's about what you do. Past my challenge, took my first payout. That's when I understood what BNC's about. Hey, cleared my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my since 2 a.m. watching them wicks, probing them highs. He calls it institutional flow. We call it something else. BSC. Let's ride. When the price drops below the veil, he loves a good penetration of the previous high. Whisper smart,
money's entering with a glint in his eye.
He's been probing that zone since 2:45. Said nobody does it deeper than ICT. Oh, he's thrusting through the liquidity.
Penetrating every level that he sees.
Oh yeah, he grabbed that order block and dropped down to his knees.
ICT trader doing whatever he please.
Smart money, smart money. He don't quit till he feels that void.
Feel it.
Smart money, smart money. Every gap he finds gets the boy overjoyed. He said the Judas swing came hard and fast, grabbed all the buy side, said baby this won't last. He's stroking the inefficiency, calling it clean, the most beautiful displacement that he's ever seen. He found a naked POC and he just couldn't wait. Dove in at the kill zone, said this entry feels great. 3 hours later he stopped out, laying there in shame, blaming market makers for his own little game. He's probing the high,
Probe it, daddy.
he's filling them voids.
Feel it all night.
He's riding that inefficiency till the break of dawn. The displacement so deep,
So deep.
had him lose sleep,
Couldn't sleep.
cause the fair value gap had him holding on so long. He said the liquidity was just sitting there, exposed, and he had to sweep it. He had to. Oh, he's busting through the liquidity.
Penetrating every level that he sees.
Oh yeah, he grabbed that order block and dropped down to his knees.
ICT trader doing whatever he please.
Smart money,
Smart money.
smart money. He don't quit till he feels that void. Smart money,
Smart money.
BSC already banked it. Bye bye boy. He said the buy side liquidity was just too exposed. He had to sweep it, but VWAP already took her home. BSC. We don't chase gaps, we just let it come to us. Oh, yeah.
Smart money. Smart money. Moves.
Smart money moves. Oh, yeah. All right. Locked in calm, focused and tight. We're trading. Yeah, we're trading. Sitting up the level, watching how it's played. We're trading. Yeah, we're trading. Patience is the age. That's the truth I'm saying. VWAP rolling, pull back, calling my name. sidebar telling me the range is the same. 2 losses, I'm done, no revenge in the game. Discipline and patience, that's the way to the flame. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 5 lots tight, that's the line I'm holding. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. 3 shots a day, no room for folding. Oh, oh, payouts coming like the tide. Stack it firm and let the structure be my guide. Quiet mind, breathe and let it ride. Discipline, patience, execution, that's my pride. Red candle, green candle, don't mean nothing. Stick to the system, let the data sing. No fear, no greed, just the plan and the play. Same 5 rules I'm living by today. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. Jobs don't lie, that's the gospel I'm relaying. We're trading, yeah, we're trading. This is the life I'm chasing. Oh yeah, ooh yeah, we're trading, trading, trading on. Steady as the sun, this groove goes on and on. Rolled out of bed at 6 a.m. with coffee going cold. Pulled on my platform like I do, did what I was told. Waited on the setup, let the weak hands make their move. By 9:15, I was already locked into the groove. One clean trade, I tipped my hat and shut the laptop down. Notification hit my phone before I left for town. Boys been laughing at me trading micros from my drive. Wait till they see what just landed in my account at 5. Mama said, boy, what are you doing on the screen all day? Daddy said, son, and future's gonna blow your cash away. Well, I kept my rules tight, kept my head down, kept the faith. And tonight the whole damn county's gonna hear what I made. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Play out hit, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. He said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. And I'm living it loud. Yeah, pulled up to the bonfire with a grin from ear to ear. Everybody asking why I'm smiling, nice together here. See, I've been up before the sunrise while you're hitting snooze, learning how to lose right, so I know how not to lose. Black shirt, club, been in my corner since the very start. VWAP on my chart and discipline locked in my heart. 3 trays daily, walk away, protect what you built up. And tonight we're pouring every drop into this cup. They said the market's rigged, said the house always wins, said retail traders lose it all, so don't you dare begin. Well, somebody forgot to tell my account that little tale, cause the payout just came through and boys, it's off the rails. Funded and free, yeah, so. Truck running loud down the county road. Payout hit, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. You know what's funny? The same people who told me to quit are the first ones texting asking how I did it. I don't even answer anymore. I just sent him a screenshot and let the numbers do the talking. Yeah, that's right. It ain't about the money, well, it's a little about the money, but it's more about the morning that I proved it to myself. Sitting at the kitchen table while the family's still sleeping, building something real instead of leaving it on the shelf. Why believe in me when the account was underwater? Kids don't know the details, but they know that daddy tried. And now we're all together at this bonfire in the backyard, and I finally feel the weight lift off my chest with pride. Funded and free.
I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Hey, out here, boys, the drinks are on me.
Funded and free. Funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud.
Funded and free.
Told you so. 3 accounts deep, and we're just getting started.
Funded and free.
What is that? Mandy. What is that candle? What is that candle? What is that candle? Trump tweet hit the wire at 9:15. Every algo on the planet lost its mind. 150 points in a single candle wick. Randy saw it coming, said it real quick. Austin zoomed to try to show the whole room. Biggest single candle drop like a sonic boom. Chat went crazy, Discord lost his mind. Never seen the candle of that particular kind. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. It saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Hey, boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? When it comes for you? Boner candle, Trump news and the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle, boner candle. Stocks got trigger top and bottom of the range. Prop firm accounts looking seriously strange. Bulls and bears got flattened in a single blow. Randy named the candle and he stole the show. Austin speechless, staring at the 1 minute candle so tall there was nothing left in it. BSC when nuclear all over the feed. Boner candle energy is all that we need. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. Saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Oh, boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? When it comes for you? Boner candle, Trump news in the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Fuck it, boner candle. They got earnings season, they got Fed Day too. They got CPI reports and Jackson Hole reviews, but nothing hits the chart like a Trump tweet at 9. Randy's got a name for it, and brother, it ain't kind. It ain't the news that moves it. It's the candle that it leaves behind. Funded account traders seen it all before. Double break the VWAP, the fractal and more, but nothing stops the stream like a 150 rip. Randy grabs the mic and lets the name slip. Austin tries to explain it on the chart, real cool. Can't explain a boner candle using normal tools. Black shirt club will tell you when you ask them why. Sometimes the market just points straight at the sky. Boner candle. Oh, boner candle. club. Never forget the Boner Candle of 2025. Hey! Hey! I got calluses from hands that used to shoe a hole. Now they're wrapped around a mouth, still walking the same course. Daddy never taught me options, taught me how to bleed in me. So some wound don't heal unless you go back in again. 6 acres and a farmhouse older than my grandpa's name. The wife's got more faith in me than I've got in this game. I took the losses like a gut shot, watched the good ones run. Learned the hardest lessons come from stops I shouldn't run. So I draw it back like a broadhead aimed at heaven. Every red day's just a lesson, every green day's redemption. I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. And the setting sun. I bled for this country, came home and bled some more. I learned the mark is just another silent, honest war. No parade for proper payouts, and no medal for the pain. Just a daddy at his kid's game, instead of drowning in the rain. They don't see the nights I sat here, staring at the screen, praying for a green pen like it's the only thing between who I was and who I'm trying hard to be. Ain't about the money, it's about being free. So I draw it back like a broadhead in heaven. Every scar's a story, every setback's a lesson. I ain't chasing money, I'm chasing who I could become. Somewhere between the timber and the setting sun. Discipline's my scripture, patience is my gun. Full draw, hold steady, this is how it's done. Let's go to full draw. Sun up on the screen, coffee gon' cold. Black and red candles telling me no. I watch that line like a shoreline move. If price holds there, I make my move. One clean entry, then I stay still. No chasing candles, no blind thrill. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line, then I breathe. VWAP, it's the line I trust. VWAP, when it clean and dust. VWAP, I don't need a guess. VWAP, that's my edge, my test. Fast hands, calm my eyes, I seen the trap. Breakout talks loud and it snaps back. I cut small loss, take the bad aside. Let the runners run, let the weak ones die. Ass fat flex in my head, keep the rules on lock. No tilt, no panic, just one more shot. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line and I breathe. VWAP, that's
test. Wrong silence, pay that fee. Now I trade what I see. No loud mouth, no hero play. Just take the setup, and walk away. That's the line I trust. You up, when it clean and dust. You up, I don't need a guess. You up, it's my edge, my test.
S&P 500 want some more. They said the market was against us. We said, nah, we got the VWAP. It's astronomical. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Track the opening range like a whole drug lord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Double break confirm and I add to the horde. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll cord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. We eating off one core. Opening range set up like a block I control. Bears pushed it under, tried to swallow it whole. VWAP reclaim like Prada moving on a stroll. Double break the top side, now we deep in the road. I move them minis like I'm moving them packs. Opening range high broke, no looking back. New York VWAP my corner, that's my turf on the map. We hands got shook, they ain't never coming back. Plugged into the supply before the sun came up. Every morning opening range fills my cup. First break fake out, got the ops asking what. Second break confirmed and I'm touching up. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Trap the opening range like a whole drug lord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. Double break confirm and I add to the horde. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. 5 minis heavy, that's my whole bankroll cord. VWAP, God, VWAP, God. We eating off one cord. She said, how you always calm at the bell? I said, baby, I've been studying this opening range spell. New York, VWAP, my religion, I know it well. Double break my sermon, gotta start, read the tell. It's astronomical the way this thing set up. Opening range, low broke, everybody fed up. VWAP, like a corner boy, it never gave up. Reclaim the line and now the top side, getting toe up. Perched up in the platform like I'm posted on the block. 9:30 to 10 o'clock, I own this whole clock. 5 minis deployed, like I'm running the flock. Paid before breakfast and I dead both alive. Opening range is the territory. VWAP is the connect. Double break is the lick. The system is the architect. They trap the block, I trap the chart. Same discipline, different art. Patience on the corner, patience at the open. Either way, you wait or leave broken. I don't move unless the VWAP say move. I don't size up unless I'm deep in the groove. Opening range, high or low, that's the only two. Double break my confirmation, that's the code I use. They out here shooting blind, I'm picking off a snipe. Opening range, bombs up and I wait for it to ripen. New York VWAP, the signal when the time is getting right. 5 minis trigger pull when everything's aligning. Pay before breakfast every morning, it's a ritual. Opening range, double break, nothing is coincidental. System built for this and everything is subliminal. We the squad and everything is criminal. VWAP, open the range. Double break, it's astronomical. We already ate. The double break is back! means price is coming back for more. Level gets retested, volume starts to build. Freckle lines up clean, you know the setup's filled. Discipline and patience, that's the SFX way. Double break, put money in my account today. The double break is back, back, woo. Said the double break is back, back, back. A Black Shirt Club already knew it, knew it. Watch how Austin do it, do it. The double break is back, 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 back. Now when the price breaks once, you wait. When it comes back to test, you wait. When it breaks VWAP now, that's the double break and it's back. Austin showed us how, yeah. BSC been knowing, yeah. Don't you ever doubt it now. The setup never stops working. Hit me. Wow. Hit me. Oh, I said the double break. Double break. Take it to the bridge. Double break. One more time now. Double break is back. Stay on the one. Woo. Black Shirt Club. Woo. SFX. Somebody tell Austin. Thank you. The double break is back. Said the double break is back. Back. A Black Shirt Club already knew it. Watch how Austin do it. The double break is back. Back, 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 back. Take it down now. Just the bass. Double break. Always coming back. SFX. Shout out Austin Silver. Black Shirt Club. SFX. Watch the range. Watch the VWAP. Let's go. Double break. Double break. Price drop below and then it came back straight. Double break. Double break. VWAP in the middle. That's the Golden Gate. Let's go. Double break. Double break. 5 minutes heavy, yeah, we let you wait. Let's go. Double break. Double break. SFX. Black Shirt Club. We already ate. Yeah. 15-minute rain set up at the bell. Best pushed it under trying to send it to hell. We can't fold it, stop that, they fell. Austin just smile cause he know the spell. Price reclaim the VWAP like it always do. Now the top of the range is coming in the view. Break that ceiling, confirmation true. 5 minutes loaded, bro, you already knew. Or low got broke, that's the first trap set. Shook the loans out, got them soaking wet. VWAP reclaim, that's your signal, yeah. Double break incoming, you can take that bet. Double break, double break. Price drop below and then he came back straight. Double break, double break, double break, double break. VWAP in the middle, that's the Golden Gate. Double break, double break. 5 minutes heavy, yeah, we let it wait. Double break, double break, double break, double break. SFX, Black Shirt Club, we already ate. He don't trade scared, he don't trade small. 2 to 5 minutes when he gets the call. Most people watching, he's already in the hall, taking what the market gives. That's all. First break, fake out, ship the Rickies out. Second break, top side, that's when he spout. No hesitation when the signal's loud. Austin in the chat in the BSC crowd, they said the range broke, it's bearish now. He said, nah, watch the VWAP, show you how. Reclaim, confirm, he's sizing up right now. Double break, activated, take the bow. First break takes you out if you eat. Second break pays out if you see. VWAP is the pivot every week. Trust the system, trust the technique. Bears got trapped on the bottom side. Bulls took over on a VWAP ride. Broke the top and let the runners fly. Austin Silver, don't ask questions why. Double break, price drop below and then it came back straight. Double break, double break, double break, double break. VWAP in the middle, that's the Golden Gate. Double break, double break, double break.
Black Shirt Club, we already ate. I've been studying the rain since the RTH open. Beware my compass when the market's broken. Every double break a brand new token. BSC the cool and Austin Silver spoken. They out here guessing, I'm out here knowing. We wap above New York, the money flowing. 2 to 5 minis in the accounts growing. Black Shirt Club, you already know where I'm going. Reclaim the line and we break the tie. Bears exhausted, we ain't gonna stop. Double break set up at the peak and dry. Ass effects, living and we never flop. Ass FX. Black Shirt Club, double break. Trust the VWAP, Austin Silver built it. Discipline, patience, execution. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. They don't know nothing about this. Caught on the charts. The other charts. Woo! I'm up at 6 a.m. I'm up at 6 a.m. Pre-market looking clean. Sharpest dress trader that the pop firm ever seen. V-wap like a river and I'm fishing in the bin. Drew my level perfect, now I'm waiting for the trend. Micro E-mini, I don't play with the big dogs yet. But I'm stacking up the payouts on the funded account set. 3 months in the challenge like a prison doing time. 1 green day away from touching freedom on a dime. Then this phone go off like a grenade in the quiet room. True social notifications spell my accounts doomed. Straight up horn moves, general, something about a deal. NQ fell 100 points before my mind could feel. True social, stop loss. I didn't see it coming. Chart said bye, but his thumbs had me running. P&L bleeding red like something out of horror film. True social, stop loss. And they say the market's real. I am not a trader, I am a trading experience. That's the prop firm risk, that's about my level of persistence. Discipline, patience, execution, that's the trinity. But ain't no candle pattern for presidentialicity. I study price action like a preacher study scripture. Every morning pour the chart and paint a perfect picture. Support and resistance, I can teach it in my sleep. Then one post about terror in my account, 6 feet deep, real talk. I had to set above the century. NQ at value, trend was elementary. Finger on the mouse like I'm about to change my life. Then the commander-in-chief went and brought a knife. True social, stop loss. I didn't see it coming. Chart said bye, but his thumbs had me running. P&L bleeding red like something out of horror film. True social, stop loss. And they say the market's real. I've been staring at these candles since the early morning. I was back, tested every setup, calculated all the powers. Taught me more about patience than a Bloomberg terminal. But patience don't mean nothing when the news is terminal. They say the market prices and all available information. Nobody priced in 3 a.m. True social notifications. I am the best trader that you never heard of yet. Give me back my funded account and watch me not forget. Reset the account like Wayne reset the mixtape game. Light it up tomorrow, yeah, the setup look the same. 1 eye on the chart and 1 eye on the feed. Cause in this Trump market, information gonna lead. Yeah, true social, stop loss. They don't put that in the curriculum. Discipline, patience, execution, and pray it don't post. Weezy. Yeah. We lost one today, BSC. Austin's double break long. She held us down for so long, man. Pour one out. Yeah. Yeah. It's been a long day without you, my friend. She held a line through every NY trend. Thought you area high, she never let us down. Double break confirmed, we never used to frown. Austin called it clean, structure looks so right. But the market took her home last night. I'll tell you all about it when we see you again. Double break long, we gon' see you again. Big rap held tight, but she faded in the end. We
gon' see you again. We gon' see you again. She filled our orders, gave us pay our days. Ran through value area in the most beautiful ways. Randy watched the charts, JB had the screen. BSC was crying, you know what I mean. Austin kept his cool, took the loss like a pro. But deep in the chat, everybody know SFX lost a homie today. Double break long, just faded away. She gave us everything, every single run. Now the market closed and the damage is done. Rest easy setup. You would've won. She was consistent, man. She was always there. Double break long, gone, but never forgotten. BSC.
Friday 4 o'clock, the candles all went dark. Closed my last position, now there's nothing on the charts. Everybody's headed down a dirt road, cooler in the bed. I'm sitting on the porch with the dime stuck in my head. They're chasing Friday night neon lights, man, I'm chasing the bell. 2 days of quiet is a special kind of hell. We'll be back on Monday, back on Monday. Weekends move too slow when the tape don't play. No ticks, no feels, no P&L. 48 hours stuck in sideways hell. Hate the weekend, love the grind. Sunday can't come soon enough this time. We'll be back on Monday, back on Monday, back on Monday. Saturday I'm journaling trays I already took. Back testing setups, reading my playbook. Wife says you're obsessing, yeah, she's probably right. But discipline don't take a day off, it just waits for the light. Black shirt in the closet like a jersey on the wall. 2 more sleeps till the opening call. We'll be back on Monday, back on Monday. Weekends move too slow and the tape don't play. No ticks, no feels, no P&L. 48 hours stuck in sideways hell. Hate the weekend, love the grind. Sunday can't come soon enough this time. We'll be back on Monday, back on Monday, back on Monday. Yeah. Sunday 6 o'clock, futures open up the door. Crack a cold one, watch them glow. Bakes, candles glow. Alarm set early, plan rolled out, clean rested. Hungry, dangerous, you know what I mean. Well, back on Monday, back on Monday. London through New York, let the levels play. Fresh week, fresh mind. Same rules, patience pays the ones who keep it cool. Hated the weekend, love the grind. Now the bell is ringing and the setup's mine. We're back on Monday, back on Monday. We're back on Monday. Back on Monday. See you at the open. Oh. Come on. Session open. Session open. New York VY arriving. Tick by tick, the values alive and thriving. Overnight, V-Wap cutting clean. Previous day mark, keep the levels keen. BOC Center, VAH, climbing steep, VAL, down under where the buyers keep opening range, 930, marking the fight, 45 at closest, watch the labels light, initial balance dashed in bold, dashboard ticking numbers, watch the story told, week VWAP, rising month VWAP 2, start of the year, the high end view, higher time frame stacking one by one, tick level true.
That's how it's done.
Come on. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the value's high. POC, VAH, VAL, we ride the way. Can't stop, VTC.
Every day.
Randy calling ranges, Evan on the screen. Austin running live, sharpest that I've seen. Asia high and low, London do the same. All-time high extended, we don't play the game. Strong down, outside range, dashboard flashing clear. While the other guys are drawing lines out here. We got tick level data, not a guess, not a claim. POC, VAH, VAL, that's the only A. Week VWAP, rising month VWAP 2. Start of the year, the high end view. Higher time frame stacking one by one. Tick level truth.
That's how it's done.
Hey. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the value's high. POC, VAH, VAL, we ride the way. Can't stop, VTC.
Every day.
Come on, hey! Don't lie. VAH, don't lie. VAL, don't lie. Tick level, multiply. Can't stop, the tick don't lie. Can't stop, the value's live. POC, VAH, VAL, we ride the wave. Can't stop, VTC.
Every day.
Can't stop. Better every day. Tick by tick, can't stop. VTC. Can't stop. Yeah. One line, one mind, Irie. Come, let me tell you how I found my way. Used to have my chart looking like a Christmas tree. 10 indicators, still couldn't find the key. Banging my head against the wall every single day. Chasing every signal, watch my discipline decay. Then I found ASFX, found BSC2. Thought I needed more tools, but they told me something true. Strip it all away, let the chart be clean. Only thing you need is that 930 VWAP scene. Clear my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my peace. All I need is the VWAP, yeah, VWAP, yeah. 930 anchor, that's the way. That's the way. Wait for the range, let it set. Right side of the line, no regret. BSC showed me, now I know. Discipline is the only edge. 15 minutes, get the opening range, be still. Patience is the muscle, got to build up the skill. Buying on the right side when the value is clear. Not 100 signals screaming in my ear. Austin told me, Evan told me, Randy told me too. It ain't about the tools, it's about what you do. Past my challenge, took my first payout. That's when I understood what BNC's about. Hey, cleared my chart, felt the weight release. One line on the screen, and I found my peace. Hey, all I need is the VWAP, VWAP. since 2 a.m. watching them wicks, probing them highs. He calls it institutional flow. We call it something else. BSC. Let's ride. When the price drops below the veil, he loves a good penetration of the previous high. Whisper smart,
Money's entering with a glint in his eye.
he's been probing that zone since 2:45. Said nobody does it deeper than ICT. Oh, he's thrusting through the liquidity.
Penetrating every level that he sees.
Oh yeah, he grabbed that order block and dropped down to his knees.
ICT trader doing whatever he please.
Smart money, smart money. He don't quit till he feels that void.
Feel it.
Smart money, smart money. Every gap he finds gets the boy overjoyed. He said the Judas swing came hard and fast, grabbed all the buy side, said baby this won't last. He's stroking the inefficiency, calling it clean, the most beautiful displacement that he's ever seen. He found a naked POC out and he just couldn't wait. Dove in at the kill zone, said this entry feels great. 3 hours later he stopped out, laying there in shame, blaming market makers for his own little game. He's probing the high,
Probe it, daddy.
he's filling them voids.
Feel it all night.
He's riding that inefficiency till the break of dawn. The displacement so deep,
So deep.
had him lose sleep.
Couldn't sleep.
Cause the fair value gap had him holding on so long. He said the liquidity was just sitting there, exposed, and he had to sweep it. He had to. Oh, he's busting through the liquidity.
Penetrating every level that he sees.
Oh yeah, he grabbed that order block and dropped down to his knees.
ICT trader doing whatever he please.
Smart money,
Smart money.
smart money. He don't quit till he feels that void.
Smart money. Smart money. Smart money.
BSC already banked it. Bye bye boy. He said the buy side liquidity was just too exposed. He had to sweep it, but VWAP already took her home. BSC. We don't chase gaps, we just let it come to us. Oh yeah.
Smart money. Smart money. Moves.
Smart money moves. Oh yeah, right.
losses, I'm done. No revenge in the game. Discipline and patience, that's the way to the flame. We're trading. Yeah, we're trading. 5 lots tight. That's the line I'm holding. We're trading. Yeah, we're trading. 3 shots a day. No room for folding. Payouts coming like the tide. Stack it firm and let the structure be my guide. Quiet mind, breathe and let it ride. Discipline, patience, execution, that's my pride. Red candle, green candle, don't mean nothing. Stick to the system, let the data sing. No fear, no greed, just the plan and the play. Same 5 rules I'm living by today. We're trading. Yeah, we're trading. Jobs don't lie. That's the gospel I'm relaying. We're trading. Yeah, we're trading. This is the life I'm chasing. Oh yeah. Ooh yeah. We're trading, trading, trading on. Steady as the sun. This groove goes on and on.
Rolled out of bed at 6 a.m. with coffee going cold. Pulled on my platform like I do, did what I was told. Waited on the setup, let the weekends make their move. By 9:15, I was already locked into the groove. One clean trade, I tipped my hat and shut the laptop down. Notification hit my phone before I left for town. Boys been laughing at me trading micros from my drive. Wait till they see what just landed in my account at 5. Mama said, boy, what are you doing on the screen all day? Daddy said, son, and future's gonna blow your cash away. Well, I kept my rules tight, kept my head down, kept the faith. And tonight the whole damn county's gonna hear what I made. Funded and free, yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down the county road. Play out here, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. We said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. And I'm living it loud. Yeah, pulled up to the bonfire with a grin from ear to ear. Everybody asking why I'm smiling, nice together here. See, I've been up before the sunrise while you're hitting snooze, learning how to lose right, so I know how not to lose. Black shirt, club, been in my corner since the very start. VWAP on my chart and discipline locked in my heart. 3 trays daily, walk away, protect what you built up. And tonight we're pouring every drop into this cup. They said the market's rigged, said the house always wins, said retail traders lose it all, so don't you dare begin. Well, somebody forgot to tell my account that little tale, cause the payout just came through and boys, it's off the rails. Funded and free, yeah, so. Truck running loud down the county road. Play out hits, boys, the drinks are on me. Funded and free, funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud. You know what's funny? The same people who told me to quit are the first ones texting asking how I did it. I don't even answer anymore. I just sent him a screenshot and let the numbers do the talking. Yeah, that's right. It ain't about the money, well, it's a little about the money, but it's more about the morning that I proved it to myself. Sitting at the kitchen table while the family's still sleeping, building something real instead of leaving it on the shelf. Why believe in me when the account was underwater? Kids don't know the details, but they know that daddy tried. And now we're all together at this bonfire in the backyard, and I finally feel the weight lift off my chest with pride. Funded and free.
Yeah, I told you so. Truck running loud down a county road. Hey, out here, boys, the drinks are on me.
Funded and free. Funded and free. They said it couldn't happen, said the odds were stacked. Said go get a real job, said don't look back. Well, I'm 3 accounts deep and I ain't stopping now. Funded and free, and I'm living it loud.
Funded and free.
Told you so. 3 accounts deep, and we're just getting started.
Funded and free.
What is that? Mandy. What is that candle? What is that candle? What is that candle? Trump tweet hit the wire at 9:15. Every algo on the planet lost its mind. 150 points in a single candle wick. Randy saw it coming, said it real quick. Austin zoomed to try to show the whole room. Biggest single candle drop like a sonic boom. Chat went crazy, Discord lost his mind. Never seen the candle of that particular kind. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. They saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Hey, boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? When it comes for you? Boner candle, Trump news and the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle, boner candle. Stocks got trigger topping bottom of the range. Prop firm accounts looking seriously strange. Bulls and bears got flattened in a single blow. Randy named the candle and he stole the show. Austin speechless, staring at the 1-minute candle so tall there was nothing left in it. BSC when nuclear all over the feed. Boner candle energy is all that we need. Randy on the mic couldn't hold it back. Saw that candle rise and everything went black. Called it what it was with a grin on his face. Biggest boner candle in the marketplace. Oh, boner candle, boner candle. What you gonna do? When it comes for you? Boner candle, Trump news and the market just blew right through. 150 points and Randy already knew. Boner candle.
What's up, boys? Good morning. So we're getting some news this morning. I'm looking at rate stuff. Getting myself organized.
Jackson Hole reviews, but nothing.
This one's a new song.
Club scene. Take a breath now. The line of the way. Son como easy, no no need for the rush. Kettle on the stove and the charts waking up. I
sir,
don't chase the candle when you're running up the hill. I just watch the volume and I sit right still. Cause price is a traveler, you wander and you roam. But every traveler gets tired and every traveler go home. And home is a number that the volume drew for me. Weighted average, honest as the sea. It come back to the line, it always come back to the line. Take your time, Mr. Trader. Everything in time. It come back to the line. Hear the horns in the bass. Let it stretch, let it run. It can't outrun the place. Oh, come back to the line. Come back to the line. Oh, come back to the line. Overnight, tell me where the sleepy money lay. New York, wake up and they draw a fresh away. Two lines talking. Now I'm listening close. Are they saying the same thing or arguing at the open? When they stack up together and they point the same side. That's not noise, my friend, that's the tide. Then I look at yesterday, see what the value made. The higher the value, the lower in the shade. If both lines sitting up above the value high. Buyers
Pretty good.
on the morning and I ain't asking why. If they sitting down below in the POC overhead. I don't fight the ceiling, I go the other way instead. But when they split and they scatter and they can't agree, that's the market saying nothing, so it's nothing for me. Fold the hands, sip the tea, let it find its mind. Cause confusion never paid for a single dime. It come back to the line, it always come back to the line. Take your time, Mr. Trader. Everything in time. It come back to the line, hear the horns in the bass. Let it stretch, let it run, it can't outrun the place. Oh, come back to the line. Oh, come back to the line. Now Austin built a framework where a trader can go.
It's pretty good. Ben does a good job making this AI music for us, so it's good. But good morning, everybody. I'm just looking through this morning, looking at the Russell. It's interesting. All three indices, now you could say all four, so close to now even making another new all-time high today. So here we are. I think the line in the sand is very obvious. These overnight lows we want to see hold if we're going to be long today. Looking at the heat map, it's not that red either, so I'm not overly bearish. Serbia, what's up, Vlad? Nice to be here. Thanks for being here. Man, I fact up with this trading thing. Is it even real? What strategy are you using? I saw you saying AV will work. How should I use it? Man, I'm fucked up with this trading thing. Is it even real? I don't know, Sam. I don't know, man. Asking me that question is not the best thing to do. Go do some research. Go do some deep digging. That's the question that everyone ends up asking themselves. See if you really have the passion for markets. I got everything synced up here. Yeah, not my best trading. August has been tricky for me. One big red day. This week's been a little tough. So not like July. July was just ripping. Try not to think about it too much. You know what I mean? You got to take the drawdowns in stride. The slower weeks in stride. Accounts are still in a really good spot. So I said to myself this morning, I was like, I'm really one good $500 winner, which is not a big winner at all. Good $500 winner, and I'm really back on a good week because I have so many accounts. So I am just focused on that. Trying to find a good trade today. One good trade. Hit a good size if we can find it. But I got a ton of stuff we can pull up and go over for stream. We're not going to do any giveaways here pre-market too, everybody. So yeah, I like this. Come back to the line. It's good. But yes, the giveaways will start probably like an hour. So we're going to hang out for a little bit. The only giveaway I'll tell you about now is the Top 1 Futures thing. If you buy any account with Top 1 Futures and use the code ASFX, it enters you the chance to win $1,000 cash. So We're pushing that giveaway really, really hard this month. That's the one you see here on screen. Yeah, let's see. I mean, you have these orders above on Bookmap. I wouldn't be surprised if it wants to drift higher. I'm just going through with Claude. Claude's bullish on structure, cautious on conviction. Stocks closed higher on Wednesday due to strength in AI. CPI was missed Wednesday, but why is it saying Wednesday? When you're this close to a value area too, like that's where you get jammed up. It's not a great place to be long. So that's another reason why I'm not taking anything pre-market yet. Yeah, so even on Financial Juice, they're showing the move really is the interest rate change, not so much this retail sales. Retail sales down 0.3%, but I don't think that's what's moving the market. I think it's more the idea that we're getting rate cuts. We're back on pace for rate cuts. Yeah, let's see if we can get all this pulled up here for stream. Monday. Monday was the best day of the week for me. I played that on Monday. Yeah, Monday I made money on all three indices. That was Monday. Tuesday was red. Yeah, didn't just walk away after that double break. That was Tuesday. I think that was the same issue on Wednesday, I feel like. Because then I had the winner overnight. And then ES, 1 win, 1 loss. No, that wasn't this day. Because I managed to salvage that. That was Wednesday. Maybe I'm thinking of yesterday. Then I had this Asia session trade 2 nights ago. Yeah, and like this one then. See, like, so it's twice this week where like I have that one and this one where I make money on the double break quickly. Even like on this one on NQ, like I make the money quickly and I don't just stop and I keep trading and then I end up giving it back. Like without the Asia sessions trades this week, I'd be in a bad spot. I'd be pretty red. And then this was yesterday. I added into that, yeah. See, what I don't understand is at the end of the day, it says total day P&L minus 285. But then when I go to TradeSyncer, it shows way more than that in my day P&L, 2,300. Like, I don't get that. I still haven't figured that out. It must be because of the multiplier. You know what I mean? And the multiplier on the evals versus not, because you get the 14 and the 7 here. I don't know. Whatever it is, I'm sure it's accurate. I can come in here and double check if I have to. Go like this. All accounts, yep. Sync the whole month again. Change this up. What's up, Dustin? Good morning, buddy. I figure these are synced up correctly. I did it yesterday for my picture that I posted on social media, but just double checking. Yeah, see, this one's taking a long time to sync up. That's interesting. Yeah, I still got a little bit of work to do on these Lucid accounts. I'm looking at them right now. I got to make $2,500, so not at the end of the world. If I can get all these still over the line this month, I'll be super proud of myself. You know what I mean? If I can not only stay in the game on these accounts, like I've had them for 16 days, you know, if I could, and I take payouts on them, if I could stay in the game on those and then get them to second payout, dude, I'll be super proud of myself, especially after this week. So that's kind of what I'm focused on. And like I said, I know my size this week has really, really helped me. Like being small has really helped me. So I'm going to keep that in mind for sure today. All right, so we can close all this shit down. Oh, nice, Jordan. I'm in here just looking through the community tab.
Yo, what's up? Good
What's
morning.
up? What time is it? 2 minutes late.
Yeah, I just did my laundry in the morning. How about that?
Look at you.
I had literally everything I possibly wear. I was like, yeah, I guess we should. Everything
Yeah.
I wear.
Yo, why
How's
do you
that?
think this happened? Like
What is
after
that?
I closed my trade yesterday, this was my trade yesterday. I closed it
Yes.
here at overnight VWAP, and then this was the P&L when I closed it. Like you can see, it says day P&L. Like this was it. Maybe this was not when
What's
it
that?
was.
That's
Like,
not
how
the
does
only
it say
trade you
minus?
had, no? You had wins
No,
before
no.
that?
Yeah. I had 2 wins, but like, look at how it says total P&L minus 285, but then on TradeSyncer it says minus 2,300. I really don't get it. Like, I don't know what I'm missing. It has to do with, I'm sure, the multiplier or something. Like, I must have won the winning trade without the multiplier. Yeah, because it was on YM and I don't have the multiplier on YM. And then I lost that trade I just showed you, this one, on the Russell, because I did have the multiplier on this trade. So like this was 7 contracts, whereas in the win it wasn't. It was all the same on this trade. This was all 3 for everything. So I think that's why it's fucking confusing me.
Yeah, that's weird.
Yeah.
But you think, obviously, the calendar view is probably the most accurate?
I mean, it is what it is. It's all synced up. Yeah, it's all synced up. So that's what it's going to go off of. You know what I mean? There's no open trades or anything. So that picture I've taken must have just been wrong. I don't know what I did. But this is what I'm going off of. Because then like this was a red day originally, remember? But then I made money on the Asian session trade and that got counted here. So then the trades yesterday got counted here, which is just showing 2. YM once, Russell once. So because like if you look, you'll see Russell, M2K, Y2K. If you go back, like look, you see how this is all 3? That was on the MYM trade. So all the accounts were the same on the YM. But then when I went to the Russell, you see it's not all the same. Not only is it bigger at 7, but it was then doubled on some of them at 14. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I think it confused me. Confused myself.
Dustin, what evals were you talking about, Austin, before I got on? Dustin's asking, do the evals have a timeline? I mean, it's not a timeline, it's just like a monthly bill, no?
Yeah, it's just the monthly bill. I was talking about the
just
access.
Tuesday. The daily lead access accounts in TOF.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you're
they're
watching
just-
on YouTube, so you're on Austin's or mine. If you go to my channel, yesterday I posted a video about the lead access, breaking down all their rules, everything that's already out there to the public, but not everyone looks at everything, so you can go watch that video today. Because I didn't know the payout rules either. You really just look at the funded, say, okay, what do I got to do to get funded?
I'll give you the thumbs up.
Oh, thanks. Thank you. But it's fairly simple. Got to build a buffer, $500 above that buffer.
You could get rid of this
Yeah, I didn't even know what's in there.
and this probably. I don't think you're selling any of those, are you?
No, I don't know.
No.
No idea.
Get
But
rid of
they
that.
sent me stuff. They sent me.
They sent you more?
Yeah, they sent me 15 of the new flavor. I said, "Oh, right, yeah, right here,
We can get rid of this too. We might as
raspberry
well. Oh,
lemon.
nice.
It's like a raspberry lemonade.
Ooh,
It's not.
ooh, that's
candy.
nice, dude. That's
Like
very
candy.
refreshing.
I always,
Yeah, I bet.
I always just did mint and stuff, but this is like a nice raspberry lemonade. God damn, Rohan, what's up? Yeah, I guess get rid of the BSC. Then what the hell's gonna be in our link in bio? Damn.
The indicator, the stream, the important stuff.
Yeah.
I know, everybody. In case you didn't hear, we are
It's been there for years.
closing down the Black Shirt Club for now. So if
It's
you're
always been
sleeping on,
different.
yeah,
Different BSCs in there. Oh well.
I'll add this to the spreadsheet for you, brother. I know it's difficult.
I
for
did
you to
last
do
night.
this, but I don't see it in here.
8:13. I did it from my phone when you asked me.
It might not have worked. I'm looking in here right now. I don't see it.
Bloody hell.
Bloody hell, Eben. Maybe you
Bloody-
put it in the wrong spot.
I put it under all the way to the left. Whatever that is. Whatever
Yeah.
column.
Oh no, you did. Yeah, here it is. I see it. Mine wasn't refreshed. Nice. Yeah, the camera quality looks good.
Yeah. That's just like
That'll be good. We should use that as a resource for some of the new guys with those accounts.
yeah, then that I mean all the other tutorials I have like just through time they pick up. Like the ignites, I never did one on the access. Oh, no, the dailies, I don't think. But of all the accounts I've ever had, I think I've covered 90% of them.
The rules on this one,
Yeah, I've never done that one, so I don't know.
no consistency when funded on the Elite Daily, but there's a consistency on the eval. No DLL. This one has the DLL. Interesting. How many of these can you copy trade? Do you know?
Which one's that? Delete access?
Yeah.
Thought it was 5 to 10.
Yeah, it's not on here, so I don't see it.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't see it on the
Because
Epic.
Elite Access, that one, how many can you copy traded this one?
That's what I'm looking at. I don't know. I'm on the FAQ like overview.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the one. How does the Elite Daily work? That's the one I'm not the most brushed up on. After you hit 3,000 profit target, you're able to withdraw whatever you make after that. Maybe, I don't know.
I think so, yeah.
For the Elite Access on a 50K, got to build a buffer of 2,000 and the minimum payout of 500. So you're going to make 2,500.
That's not
So,
bad.
yeah, maybe the other one's 3K. I don't know. You could have 10, but only copy 5 at a time, David's saying. The access. Okay. I mean,
Thank
I
you.
have 5, so that's been at least working. So, yeah. I've never tried to do more to find out you can't.
How do you like it so far, David?
I think Murray and the BSC got elite access as well. And a few people on stream. I mean, they're $39. Give it a whirl. No consistency on the eval, so just pass that thing today for $39.
Yeah, it's crazy.
If you don't, it's like, that was too aggressive. All right, $39. That aggressive approach did not work.
Chipotle.
On an Ignite account that was 200 or an instant funded that was 3. So ES a little bit behind today, but NQ's at another new high. Not all-time high, but it's a new high a week and new high a day. But ES, similar overnight, just a little bit slower, hasn't made it back to that high. Maybe since it finished yesterday further away from its high of day. Ryan, does the BOGO deal work for Ignites? Yeah, I think it's everything, right? Even the
No.
instant fundeds, no?
No.
Just the BOGO, I mean, like if you bundle. Or what BOGO are you speaking of? The buy 10, get 10?
He's asking the buy one, get one. No, buy 10, get
Oh, no,
10
no,
is
no.
not a thing.
I
Yeah,
thought you meant like the
you're
bundle gets
confusing. You're
60%
confusing.
off.
You're confusing yourself. It's bundle for 60, but BOGO is only for the elite access, the cheap ones. Those are the BOGO. You see it says discount.
Yeah, so it'll set that on the website. David got 4 of them passed. Did pass a couple 150Ks as well, but then found out can't mix account sizes at the same time. Well, like on a copier, yeah, that's tough.
Yeah, 5 elite dailies and 10 on the access.
And it's 10 ignites. And then probably what, 5 instant fundeds? Yeah, 5 right now, but 3 of the bigger size. You can't trade them at the same time if funded. You can't copy trade any of them together, David? What do you mean? Well, you can't cross different sizing. Ash bought 5 ignites earlier. Nice. Waiting for them to be added to the account. Yeah, those are a good account. I don't know if it should take days to get the account. It's getting delays getting the accounts. No. I mean, if you buy something, just get it fairly.
Yeah, no, it comes right away. If you're not getting it right away, you should reach out to support. Something's on.
I'll check, make sure you use the right email and that you're checking the right email for what you put in.
David, you can have them, but you can't trade them together.
Yes.
You cannot copy trade the different types of accounts together. Funded eval cannot be copy traded together, and different account types can't be copy traded together. You can copy evals, you can copy fundeds, can't mix them together, from how I understand it.
Yeah, but I think you can like have like a solo 50K running and a solo 150K running over there. Like
yeah, you just can't trade them together.
Into like, oh, you chose the 50Ks? Okay, that's all you could ever trade. So I'll double check that, David.
But yeah, so the BOGO is, if I use the code ASFX, the BOGO does not work. Ryan, it's only BOGO on Elite Access. It's not BOGO on Instant Sim and Ignite. That's just 55% off with code ASFX. And if you bundle 5 of them, you're getting 60% off. So I'll say it again. Code ASFX gets you the best discount, gets you the BOGO. However, the Instant Sim and Ignites are not BOGO. They're 55% off. Alex, happy Friday, buddy. Good to see you. I'd rather have 1 for 170 than 400 for 2. Yeah, everybody's different, Ryan.
I mean, anything with code ASFX is going to match whatever's already on the website. It's never going to be worth it. Like, oh,
but the only ones you can BOGO is the Elite Access. Even the Elite Dailies are not BOGO. No, you're good, Ryan. You're good. I want everyone to understand. So thanks for asking. I want it to be clear because I know everybody's going to stock up. You know what I'm saying?
Jeez, that's crazy, Nate. I never heard of that, but that's good. What's up, Aaron?
So see, the cool thing about working with Top One, everybody, not only do you know you're going to get paid out because we've all been paid out by them for so long, but like I'm talking to them right now. I have a group chat with the leadership. You know what I mean? So I can say, hey, this isn't clear. This isn't clear. They're going, okay, good. Taking feedback right now, taking action on it. So like by the end of the day, it'll be clear how many you can copy trade. It'll be clear about the BOGO. Yeah, see, like right here, it says Elite Access only, but I didn't even see that because it's all grayed out. You know what I mean? It's too small and too gray. So that's what's confusing. The BOGO is Elite Access only. Everything else, 50 fucking 5% off. It's insane. And then remember, every time you buy, even if it's BOGO, even if it's whatever, every time you buy with code ASFX, that's a chance to win $1,000 cash. We're calling it the you get a payout just for trying giveaway. I like it. It's catchy.
Get your first payout for free. I don't know.
Yeah, that Phillies game was cool last night.
Yeah, it was been on the Netflix like dashboard for weeks. I didn't know like the actual day of it because they were just showing it for a while.
Yeah.
That is cool.
Yeah.
They walk out of the corn. It looks like such a small field, but it's not.
It was only like 5,000 or 10,000 people. It was like a minor
Like
league
the field
stadium.
itself just looks small, just because the
Yeah.
surrounding it is just land. But yeah, it's always cool.
Han
Is it
Solo,
one
difference
game or is
between
it like this weekend?
I don't know. You want to look that up? I was thinking that I had that same thought a second ago. I'm like, I don't know.
Sure, it's at least like there's no way they travel there for one day.
Yeah, so Han Solo, to answer your question, I'm almost at 60K in payouts. I'm like $59,000 in payouts. Most of my payouts have come from the live account, but before that, it's come from the Ignite account. The Ignite accounts, I think, are like, I'm trying to save you money. They're cheaper. It's a lower payout cap, but if you haven't taken payouts in general, you should just be focused on keeping your cost low. So the fact that you can get an instant funded with my discount with ASFX, $179, no eval, no activation fee. Like there's not a better deal right now. There's just not. You're basically at the price of an eval for an instant funded. And then people will say, oh, the consistency score. But that just gives you the target. Just shoot for that target every day and then take the payout once you hit it. It's 5 days. It's not that hard. If you're trying to get a payout sooner than 5 days, like you're a gambler. That's not trading. Like it's just gonna be very difficult. So got it. Thank you, David. Hopefully, Han Solo, that answers your question, dude. Let me know. Tell Chewbacca I said hi, too. Exactly. What about on evals? What about it, Spooky Hood Rich? What about it? What about it?
Talking to David? I don't know.
Evals, you're fine to do whatever at the same time. There you go. That's what I thought.
Yeah, the Phillies
It's
go
only
back
a
to Minnesota tonight. They play tomorrow. They don't have anything today.
Got it.
One and done.
Spooky. So you're saying take your time on the evals or try to pass them quick? That goes back to how much money do you want to spend on prop firms every month? What's your max loss on how much you can afford to buy in prop challenges? So it should always work within a budget. We preach financial responsibility here on stream. We don't teach you to be financially irresponsible. So it should be based on your budget. The Ignites are cheaper with the discount than passing a 50K elite access and having to pay. Exactly. That's why I'm saying I'm pushing the fuck out of the Ignites, bro. And it's what I take at the most payouts on. TF having issues with the new accounts at the moment. Reach out. My fund that has been activated for viewers. Okay. Thanks, David. Good to know. I know you know they'll resolve it.
And also, like,
They're getting
take your
slammed right
time.
now.
Yes, you can, but don't take your time more than like a month, because then that's what we're saying.
No,
You
no.
rebuild. So it's like at the very most, the taking time should be a month.
Yeah.
You should pass or fail in a month. I don't want to see someone be like, I'm up $400 in 4 weeks. It's like that should have been torched a while ago or really close to payout or
See,
passing.
like, so he's saying, I don't give a fuck about consistency. My risk is small, so I'm going to get one. That's what I would do. Like, if you're not a big slinging flipper guy, I'd go with the Ignite. Take a payout on the Ignite, leave some in there, try to get to payout 2 or 3, and go get yourself a pre-live account. Because I was taking daily payouts from the pre-live account. Then there's a $4,000 cap on that pre-live account for a 50K. Then you get the live account, which is what I got now. So, like, there's a path here for you to grow, too. So it's not like there's a path for you to keep having to spend if you don't want to go down that path. Spend once, just buy a couple, and rock out. I would just take advantage of this deal. It's going to go all month, everybody. So you have time, buy some today, try it out if you're new, see if you like it. Even the BOGO, it's a good place to start with Top One. Also, remember, on Monday, we're starting a huge sale for the VTC indicator. I know some of you have been really excited about the double break signal on the candles and everything like that. You've seen our markups. You've seen Evan's, green screens and stuff on Instagram. That sale starts on Monday. So we got a lot coming this month. But you're the only guys that show your losses and post wins and talk about why you entered trade, and I fuck with that. Well, I fuck with you too. Spooky Hood Rich. The access evals only last a month. If you don't pass and fail, I think I have 14 days. Yeah, yep. Everything should be basically from looking at an eval to going slow to taking your payout. Everything should be monthly. I don't think you should be trying to set trading goals weekly. I think that's too short term, too instant gratification. It's not like that. You got it. Like, even look at my week. I don't know what Evan's week looks like. Pull up the calendar, show him. Like, look at the week, man. It's not, Evan's probably more green than me, but like, trading is not linear income. Like, June and July, raining payouts off this pre-live account, right? One big red day, that was it. And then look, August has been a little bit tougher for me, So I'm down actually across all the accounts. I'm down 4,400 this month. But that all that means to me is if I make $600 today, I'm back in the green this month. And then we have 2 weeks in this month to fucking crush it. So I'm not down at all in my head. You know what I mean? I'm just surviving. But this is trading, everybody. So Spooky Hood Rich, I appreciate you saying that because it irritates me a little bit, but I don't give a fuck. You know what I mean? Like it irritates me, but then I have that I don't give a fuck. So I'm glad I don't actually get irritated. But there's so many people on Wednesday of this week on CPI. They did not show their P&L. And then they're going to make some, motivational bullshit post about why you'll make it as a trader if you just keep going. I would tell those people literally to suck my dick, bro. Like you're disingenuously motivating somebody. That's what that is. It's disingenuous motivation. You're not actually showing the ups and downs, the trials and the tribulations. You're just speaking, blowing smoke up somebody's ass, stroking the fantasy, just sitting here jerking them mentally. It's bad, actually. So it kind of irritates me. But then I don't give a fuck because I just care about getting rich for myself and Evan and my employees and my family. You know what I'm saying? I don't actually care that much. But I know how it is. I've been doing this for over 10 years. Like, majority of the fucking influencers don't show their P&L. They'll blow accounts and hide it, this and that. Meanwhile, I'm out here like lost 14K that day, made 16K that day, blew 6 accounts that day. Like you just got to be honest. How long did your Lucid take? Lucid took 2 days. Billy Hart, you're a saint. You're an angel, Austin Silver. You're a saint, Billy. Baby Billy.
People need them.
The trading space is chopped, exactly.
I mean, I knew
because anyone can just start
Randy's
streaming.
video would do well.
Fucking do.
I knew Randy's video would do well, and that was the best one he's ever posted.
Yep. Yeah, the trading space is so cooked, bro. That's why we're going to reinvent the game. No more showing wins, only showing losses.
I'll never be posting then.
Oh,
sorry,
Nate. I told him to do that a year ago. He won't do it. He's got no balls. Everyone will know it. He's just fucking. Everyone will think it's a prank. He hangs out with me too much. They think it's a prank.
Would have needed to rent it now. Just go get one.
Right.
Because then I don't want to give it away. Like time's up. But yeah, someone's got to do it.
Someone's got to do it. Yeah, I mean, it makes me and Evan look a lot better. That's the whole thing. Like at least that's where self-awareness wins for us. When these other people who we are friendly with some of them, but they act like traders, but they don't show their losses, then we do. It makes all of you trust us more. We know that. So we lean into that. These other people have too much of an ego and they think that by showing the losses, you're going to judge them and you're going to not trust them. When it's literally the opposite. Like these people just don't get the game, bro. We get the game. We know the game better than everybody. We know the game so well that we don't beef with people because beefing with people is a way to like try to shortcut the game. We know the game in and out. That's why we are continuing to grow as fast as we do without beefing and picking on people and like how some of these other guys like Pat and all those other guys, have gotten big. Raja and all them, they blew up because
they don't trust
they got no value.
All the time. Vice versa, of like rather than trust, it's more relatable too. Of like this guy's always winning and I'm not. What am I doing wrong? Like I'm watching him all the time. Where's the disconnect?
And that's what I'm saying. It's disingenuous.
I lost today
this
too.
Is the trenches, bro. You think finance and trading is easy? We're retail scum at the end of the line. It's the hardest job in the world almost, dude. It'd be way easier to just go wake up every day and go sit in a cubicle. But it wouldn't be as fun, and you wouldn't have unlimited upside potential. You'd probably shoot yourself in the head with a shotgun after your nagging, horse-faced wife is barking your ear off after, 20 years of doing it every day. You know what I'm saying? She only gets one vacation a year. Then you blow your brains out. Anyway, we're trying to prevent that, everybody. You know what I mean?
You got to ask when to go to the bathroom.
Imagine being a grown man asking if I can leave the meeting to take a piss. I was only seeing fake gurus for 5 years. That's nice. Yeah, good. Stay with us. We're not going to lead you wrong, I didn't used to say that, but now I'm saying that. I'm like, just stick around, unfollow the other bullshit and just stay. I used to tell people, if you don't like me, go leave. There's other guys. Nah, honestly don't, because they're all full of shit. Like I can count on one hand how many traders I'd actually trust when they tell me their yearly P&L. Because I know throughout the year, they're not even tracking it correctly. Most of these guys don't even do their own tracking of their own expenses correctly. They're amateur businessmen. Most of your favorite influencers are amateur entrepreneur businessmen. Real serious traders, like the guys I used to work with in New York, like Brian Shannon, like they're not influencers, bro. They're real traders. So you have to remember that when you think about who you're following. I'm the bridge. Evan's the bridge. We do both. But there's not many that can do both. It's just the truth. Ryan, we're like on the double break of range. So I would focus on opening range stats, but we're not big on edge full right now, bro. We're just not. No knock on Andre and James and the gang over there. Just not what we're using right now. I would spend your time, Ryan, let me rephrase your question for you. Austin, what's a good use of my time if I want to learn something new? I would say Bookmap. I would be focused on like order flow and things like that, not edge full statistics. You're not going to gain an edge there right now, I don't think.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not speaking for you. Who has that? Ryan? Yeah, Ryan.
Yeah.
It's like with anybody, I don't want anyone to get like confused that like the missing piece is more information at that of like, oh, if I just found the right report, that'll do it. Or if I just found this indicator, that'll do it. It's like probably just your discipline to wait for good setups that you already know are there because you take good wins. It's just like, why are you taking those stupid losses? Why are you sizing up when you're bored? It's things like that which no report is going to save you from. And I'm not saying that to you, but we all fall into it of like, yeah, I just need this. If I just knew more, then I would stop blowing accounts. It's like, no, you know what you know. You just don't have any discipline or patience, and you're in a rush.
Ryan, if you're looking for more confidence, I don't think you needed an edge full. To Evan's point, if you're not in that boat, I don't think you can find that confidence you're looking for in edge full. I FOMO bought this first month. Yeah, enjoy it the first month. Me and Evan.
I'm not saying it's bad. I'm not saying
Ryan, I'll tell you the truth, bro. We stopped promoting it because it wasn't valuable to our audience. That's all. Evan and I weren't using it. It wasn't providing an edge. It just wasn't something we needed right then. And I'm sure that could be different now, you know? Yeah. But that information is still valuable. But do you need it every day? No, I don't think so. Those things don't change that much. We're at 552, Evan. 552.
Still 4.9. Nice.
Still 4.9. Our review stars match my height. Whoa, bing, bing. Whoa. Come on. No one fired that one off. I had to fire it at myself.
I'll give you a little bit more respect than that.
Give me a little bit of respect. 5'2" at least.
5'2"
He's five. I put on the basketball shoes, the new LeBrons, and I'm 5'2".
James is on cocaine to think he could fucking dunk a basketball off concrete.
You like that video? Off concrete, bro. Like he's like stretching.
No bounce. He couldn't on hardwood, but let alone a cold.
He tried to get a bounce too, though. You saw that, right? With that step in and then the takeoff. He tried to get it. Like
he said he could dunk. He didn't even touch the rim. So even if he touched the rim, there's no ball getting over that thing.
No.
But he got the 9. He touched the 9. The secret
to the whole jump is he should have been running. He stopped his momentum with when you're yeah.
He should have jumped off your hood. It was right there.
You know, I just realized we haven't gotten in a review. We got one 4 days ago, but then it's been since Nate on August 4th. So anyone listening here, if you're enjoying the streams, can I ask you to go leave us a review? Just go to Trustpilot. You'll find it very easy. Just type in ASFX. You see us here, 4.9. I really appreciate this. This is all I'll ever ask for. You know, we do the giveaways. We keep everything super affordable as much as we can for you guys, but I got to kind of annoy you for the reviews. Oh, yeah. Here's my buddy, Liam.
And Nate's in the chat right now. He left one.
Yeah, Nate's here.
4th, 10 days ago.
Yep.
Calling me Ethan. So now people that aren't on stream will be like, who is he talking about? Where did I miss Ethan?
Yeah, see, that's what we want to hear. That is a huge step in the right direction, Spooky. Nate's always here, exactly. Finish on the beat, shebang.
Oh, yeah. There he is. I was trying on those suits last night, and I was like, imagine if we wore this every day. Like, just every morning, you have to pick out a full suit.
You had to get up. Imagine having to shave.
Yeah.
Like, tie. Like, that was my dad, dude. Crazy.
Just for, like, the heat, depending on where you're at.
Today?
Like, wearing a suit all day.
Today? What are you wearing? I got Lulu on today. What are you wearing?
Whoa.
Are you wearing it too?
I didn't like Lulu.
It's Friday. It's Casual Friday.
Yeah. I'll change for the mainstream.
All right, good.
Pre-market. I was looking at the 2 suits, and then I'm gonna get one.
Where were you at?
It's that one that was in town. The one, nice. State and Liberty.
Yeah, good. And you're gonna get them fitted up, right? Get them cut.
It was already
cut it to
pretty
your
damn near fit. He
good,
gave me
good.
He gave me pants that didn't match the suit because they just didn't have it.
Yeah.
But those, and then I tried on the shoes. I was like, oh damn, like this thing's already perfect. But when I was wearing like my sneakers, I was like, yeah, I'll probably get them trimmed a little or whatever. But then when you wore like dress shoes, it fell right to the ankle.
Don't do it like how the kids do, like cutting the pants so short.
I don't need
to
see
the stock.
It fit perfect. And then so
Well,
I
you
got to
have good
order the pants.
proportions, dude. You're a good height. Like you kind of honestly, you're the height of a mannequin. You know what I'm saying? So like you probably could go into most stores and just.
And then he brought me like a button down shirt as well. It was super soft. I was like, this guy. He's like, you can get both. I was like, oh, is that right? I bet I could. You want me to buy all the suits, don't you? Right, Leo? You need your first suit. Real question, how that first payout feel? I don't know. Felt fun. Felt real. Felt motivating. Felt exciting. I mean, you imagine what it would feel like. It probably feels like that. You know, all the work you put in for years, probably for most people, if not months, and you finally get a taste of it. Just like relief, excitement, motivating. Like, okay, I did it. Let's go get more. It's possible. It's real now. Let's do this. Bale, I'll kick you from the stream if you get that snowball rolling. I already have enough nicknames.
Can you say hi to Evan?
What up, Leo?
Say hi.
You just say hi to everybody. It's Friday, so I'm being nice, letting you in here for a second.
Yeah, it's pre-market.
Hey.
Are we long or short today, Lee?
Sure.
There it is.
That's aggressive.
Die.
That's
your
aggressive.
father.
That's aggressive.
That's like your
aggressive
father.
selling.
Die.
Always trying to-
Have fun.
He wants the
Always trying to
headphones
get
because he
foot.
can't hear you. Can you hear him now? Can you hear him? You can have it.
Hey, Dad.
Say hi.
Hello,
Evan.
Leo.
Hey.
Ask Evan how much money he made this week. Say how much gamble money did you make?
Dad.
Thousands.
All right, we're done with the spinning. Say bye to everybody. Can you say bye? Can you wave?
Bye.
Leo's got no experience. We got to fade him. We got to go long. That's unfortunate, but that's the way of the road. You know, we have people in our chat when they call out a direction, I just fade them. So it's a tough world. But yeah, let's see. We got a couple minutes until we're gonna switch stream. It is Friday, so we're gonna keep on running. But
We got to be careful, bro.
that
We
popping up.
grow we grow ASFX TV too fast. It gets too big. Leo like walks into a business with a bunch of people that just know who he is. We gotta monitor that. That's a little too prima donna for what I'm trying to go for here. I want him to have a tough life. You know, I might have to like put him out in the woods or something.
I mean, the first event he comes to, everyone's gonna be saying what's up. Leo was like, how do all these people know me? I don't know
I know,
anyone.
it's gonna be so funny because
I
like
don't know.
especially this year because now he's
I don't know these
understanding and talking even more. Yeah, he'll be with me, and I think I said to her last night, I was like, "You want to bring the girl too?" She's like, "Yeah." So I guess they're all coming with me.
What's this upcoming one in Tampa?
Hmm.
Yeah, plot twist. Now we circuit break it down. Yeah, he called the shorts. Let's see. Shorts at all time high. You gotta love it.
I said to Randy yesterday, if this girl comes on Monday on her due date, and I have 2 kids on my due date, you know that's like a 0.25% chance. Like we will never stop gambling if that hits, bro. We have to play everything
Are we ever gonna
aggressive.
anyways.
No.
yeah.
But I'm just saying that would like if you hit a 0.25% odds ever in your life, you'll never forget it. If my kids are both born on their due date, that's going to be pretty fucking wild.
Pretty sure my best friend from up north, his birthday is on Monday. I think so. 17th.
Well, she missed it. She could have been born on the same day as Bruce. She missed that, so now
Yeah.
she can come on her due date. I honestly, it's crazy we still haven't had the baby because I thought the baby was coming literally a week ago, Saturday.
Yeah,
I was like,
any day this week. That like
Yeah,
I
yeah.
honestly forgot. I'm like, he might just jump off the desk and be like, all right, gotta go.
I mean, hopefully it all goes well and it's fast. We're doing it here, so like we could start the stream. I could go have the baby and then come back with the baby. You know what I'm saying? In theory, when we
I'd
had
hope
Leo
we
at the
would
birthing
just-
center, we went in at 9 and came home at 2. Like it was like
Yeah, but
Crazy.
you're not gonna be like, all right, I'm gonna go hop on Zoom. Just take the day and
no, but
stay
it's
with her.
it's funny how like different it is when you do it at a birthing center, or I guess I should say if you have a hippie wife like me versus going to a hospital. Evan will be the guy at the hospital bringing his PlayStation to the hospital while his wife gives birth, guaranteed.
I'll just be handing out cigars in the lobby.
Yeah, this is Juan. He rolls my cigars. He has to come with me wherever I go. Bring the stream into the room. Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
ES is right on overnight. NQ's holding up a little bit above it, but like longs today, obviously. So we make a new low on a Friday after making all-time high yesterday. But it's an inside bar day, and ES will keep this stream running. But if you want to be involved in the giveaways and all the future streams next week and the courses over the weekend, and the courses are always there, but when you sign up for ASFX TV, you get access to everything. So perfect time to sign up is always on a Friday, because then you get time to study over the weekend and then come back in next week for the streams ready to go. So you can go to that Trustpilot as well and read about the courses and the streams. You get a first week free, so you get all next week's streams. We'd love to have you in here. It'd be nice for her to come on a Saturday, so that way, like, no streams interrupted. But
well, she might come.
When's LeBron's birthday? Is it coming up? Did she hold out till then?
For the chosen one?
Yeah. Only goats are born on this day.
Yeah, so what do you want to do? We're going to, a couple minutes here. We can run it now, actually. We can take a quick break. I'm going to grab another coffee. Good luck, y'all. I'm planning to work. See you on X later. Yeah, so we're staying live, Ryan, actually, on X and on YouTube today, everybody. So you're lucky. You're very lucky. If you're not a member of ASFX TV, we're going to stay live for you here. We're going to take a quick 5-minute break, but then we'll stay live for you here. But if you want to be a part of the giveaways, I'm giving away 3 top 1 Ignite accounts today, everybody. We were just talking about the Ignites. We'll talk about them more in a few minutes. But if you want a chance to win one of the 3, all you got to do is sign up for ASFX TV. Click the link in my bio, link in Evan's bio. It's free. You just sign up there, get the free trial, get in the chat, and that's where we do the giveaway. So, but Ev, thanks for hanging out. Let's 5 minutes coffee, and then we go again. Yep, sounds good.
My shirt.
Yeah! I said the double break is back! See the Effects.
Shout out Randy. At JB James Bruce. Evan Dye on the screens. Let's go Ass Effects. Let's go Austin. Black Shirt Club. We up. Love be wet. She the only line I need on my chart. Yeah. Love be wet. She tell me where to enter. She tell me when to start. Love be wet. Black Shirt Club. We only trade with a plan. Ash Effects. Black Shirt Club. Discipline, patience, execution. We above New York. Stay long. Let's go.
Everybody, good morning. Happy Friday. Thanks for being here. We're live now for our ASFX TV members, so we're locked and loaded. We got 3 giveaways on the table today, thanks to Top One Futures, the sponsor of the stream. Don't forget, if you use the code ASFX anytime this month, that enters you in the chance to win a $1,000 cash prize. We're calling it the Get a Payout Just for Trying giveaway. So make sure if you do need anything, Top One Futures is got a little extra incentive for you to stay with them. Remember, the elite access accounts are buy one, get one. But today we're going to give away some of their Ignite accounts. We're going to do 3 of them today, everybody. 3 of them. So make sure you got your name on the giveaway form for our members in the chat. I want to talk to you about all of my trades this week, everybody. We're going to go back and walk through all of my trades, not all of the double break trades. I'll make you wait for a YouTube video for that. But we'll talk about every trade that I took this week so we can hopefully get some lessons out of that. I know we will. I got a couple of things about it that I didn't see in the moment that doing the review this morning I did notice. So we'll get into that as the day gets going. Notice overnight, though, very sideways. 78.20 trading up to 78.30, 10-point range last night. Glad that that was not the night that I was trading the Asian session because it didn't move anywhere. And you can see this morning the news also not really moving us anywhere. So we're definitely going to wait until the opening range comes in and sets. I do like longs today, of course, above all-time highs. You know, we're near all-time highs yesterday and making a new one yesterday. I like longs. So it's going to be tougher for me to see a short, especially above 78.20. I don't think that would make sense to me yet. We also have orders on Bookmap going up to 78.50, 78.55. Not much below, but down at 78.15 has some orders on it too. So that's your ES read. On SPY, we're going to have a decent sized gap here. So we may want to look at that 20% gap fill. We'll see how that looks. It's a little small, but we'll see if we can find something there. Probably not, but maybe. On the stock side of things, really quick, just like a higher time frame, big picture look at it. Remember, Microsoft still holding, again, above all-time high VWAP. NVIDIA, 226 this morning, everybody. 208 was when we took VWAP, so we're up, $20 a share. Micron, set to open at 97 today, above all-time high VWAP. And Palantir still going strong since taking its all-time high VWAP at 179. So our swing trade stock ideas on the all-time high VWAP stuff, all still in play, all still looking good. And this is what your indices look like going into the morning. You can see market ripped April and May and June. July and August, it was sideways. And now we could be potentially in another leg higher. And just remember, this was something I want to make very clear. Some people think that in this environment where we're going straight up April, May, June, that we're only trading break and retests, pull back to VWAP. No, there's still double breaks long that are paying here. It's just the double break short did not win as good as they did here. When the market starts to go sideways, naturally you'll get more winning short trades. So in this environment, are we going to only look for break and retests? Pullbacks to VWAP? No, we're still going to look for double breaks potentially long, more so than short in this environment at all-time highs. Does that make sense? I want to make sure you're not just closing yourself off here, okay? Now let's let this thing open, let this thing shake out. I want to take some time to go over the week with you guys. So slow down, everybody. I know you want to trade. I know you probably want to get into something. Instead of getting into a trade, get your name on the giveaway form so you have the chance to win one of the 3 accounts today, thanks to Top One Futures. And while you guys do that, I'm going to talk to you about my week. First, 550 reviews. So thank you, everybody. If you're a member, if you've been here, if you're hanging out with us and you haven't left a review, please go do so. Jordan, I know you've left a review. I think Fazine said he's leaving a review today. I'll put the link in the chat right below the giveaway form. Please, 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 guys, if you're here hanging out, you're enjoying it, or maybe you hate it, I don't care. Just keep leaving us reviews. We really appreciate it. Let's go to Monday. So Monday we had I'll blow this up actually. Monday we had the double break long that I played. You can see the double break signal. If you trade the double break, you should know the stop goes at the low and the target is at opening range high. I didn't get into the trade until much later here. And by waiting, I ended up catching a little bit more of a pain-free move, not dealing with that pullback. So something to keep in mind is with these double break trades, you really want to keep your stop and your target locked. You don't want to get out of this trade in here before that low here is taken. Okay. So that was Monday, how I read the double break. Also on Monday, that was YM. I traded NQ. Here's your double break on NQ. It broke out of the top, hit overnight VWAP, and then we get the double break signal short. If you remember on stream, I said, I'm not getting into it now. I want to see it leg down, leg back up, and then I will get short to trade back into structure to the left. And that's exactly what I did. It pulled back into the New York VWAP. I got short at New York VWAP, and 5 minutes later, I was out of the trade at the structure to the left. I didn't marry this for some big move. I'm not a usual NQ trader, so I just took a quick little scalp off of a key VWAP, playing the double break. And then ES made us money as well. ES had a really nice double break back here on Monday. I traded the break and retest here. So it breaks. I'm trading the retest, exited right there before 12 o'clock, called it a day. So Monday was great. Win YM, win NQ, win ES for us. Then Tuesday. And now this is where we're going to get into some of the lessons. Tuesday, quick money. Double break trade here on ES pays quickly for me. You can see I'm in 7 contracts. I'm out 7 contracts. No problem. And then this is where literally the week starts to go off where I'm not supposed to be going. There's a different universe, everybody, where I stopped trading on Tuesday after this trade, and that was it. But the universe that we are now in, I took the second trade here, looking for the next leg of the double break back to the top. It didn't go to all of my accounts. So then I resynced them on Futures Elite and I added to the trade. So now I'm in 1, 2 micros. That's fine. Where it's a problem is not getting stopped out here. When the stop loss trigger shows on the double break, I did not get out of the trade. I added to it and I had to hold it all day just to take a loss down here at 77.71. So that hurt me. So not taking the stop loss really, really cost me. Also, same mistake from last week, if you remember. I did it once last week. I did it once this week. Here, the lesson of the day is if you can get quick, easy money, maybe you just take it. Bigger lesson, you got to trust the stop loss. That's the bigger lesson. There's nothing wrong with taking this second trade. You just got to trust that stop loss. And I have to let my overconfidence get out of the way and just take my L's when I get them. So what do we do after we take an L? Market dumps, I get stopped. I get long in the Asian session then. 77.55, I get TP in the middle of the night, trading into value area low, that dotted line there. Okay? I'm halfway through. You following me, everybody? W in the chat? Yes in the chat if you're following me, or any questions, please post them. So I come into the day on Wednesday then green. This is Wednesday, right? Yeah. Come into the day Wednesday green. I take the double break long here with you guys. We pin out of opening range. Everybody liked this double break to go to the top side. Again, I had a little bit wider of a stop loss. I didn't have it at the session low because of the previous day New York VWAP. This is one of the examples of why I sometimes move my stop loss. So I felt like this one with that other level of support, I could give it the chance to come back out because it's done that. That didn't work. Trump with the news candle stopped me out. If that news candle wouldn't have come, I probably would have been okay on just that one entry and held it all day. After the news entry, I got long again. We get another double break. I put my stop at the pin low from the news. I hold the trade all day and I close it for a 4-point win, start to claw myself back after that loss. That's it. That was the day playing the double break on CPI Wednesday. Choppy, 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 but there was money if you just played the signals and didn't guess and didn't choke it. If you played this double break and you get out of it here, you're not playing the system correctly. You've got to go at the structure low. Okay? And then again in the Asian session now, because I'm making money in the Asian session, I tried it again, made money long the next night. This was now Wednesday night, going into Thursday, going into yesterday, 77.71 up into POC. So look at my 2 Asia session trades. It's on the right side of the overnight VWAP up into the next value area level. Here it was value area low. Here it was up into POC. We were already above value area low. Okay. So that was the Asian session trade. Then we're going to tie this all together now. A really nice double break yesterday that paid quickly on YM. But if you know what I'm getting at, what's the theme of the week? I got paid quickly here and gave it back on Tuesday. So what did I do yesterday? I got paid quickly here and then I gave it back here. I got long against New York VWAP off of overnight VWAP on the Russell yesterday, small. I added to it later in the day and closed it on the retest of New York VWAP here. And that's what I did yesterday to wash yesterday, basically. I ended up without the multiplier on the YM trade, not where I needed to be yesterday. Because the multiplier is not turned on, this trade was 3 micros on all 18 accounts. And then when I went to the Russell, I turned the multiplier on. So I lost heavier on some of my accounts on the Russell, which ultimately hurt me more than it helped me yesterday. That's the week, everybody. Any questions about that? David said over trading. David, I don't think so. William, don't give it back. Silver, I sent you a message yesterday. Did you see any chance? I don't know what you're talking about. WW good. Okay, I'm done talking now. Hopefully everybody's listening. If not, I don't care. Let's see what we get now. If that's not helpful, I would like to know if you guys don't like doing that on the stream, and I will just save it for the YouTube videos because I don't want to bother you while you're probably chasing into a trade here on a Friday morning. So who's already in a trade? Who wants to own up to it and say that they're already in something? Because that's the feeling I'm getting from seeing the chat. Super helpful, good. You also have a 70% chance that we're cutting rates next month. So just keep that in mind. That changed. Remember, we've been looking at this together, everybody. 70% chance now that rates are getting cut. That was 40%. Okay. Long now. Yeah, I knew some of you were in trades. I have John, good luck. Anyone that wants to be in a trade, good luck. No sympathy if you lose taking a trade before the opening range is set. I feel no pain. I do not feel bad for anyone that loses a trade before the range is set. I like the recaps. Good to ease into the day. Good. Alex, I don't understand that question because I just showed you a recap. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think, what do I think of it? I'm doing it. What are my thoughts on it? I'm just doing it. You know? Keep doing it. Okay, good. Julie, I know you want to be in one, so I'll speak to you, you know? Let's see how SPY's looking. Did we fill 20%? Yep. We knew that was going to fill fast. So the value area high now showing to be resistance here, everybody. So with value area high showing to be resistance, I would be cautious getting long too close to it. We don't want to get long up in here, maybe. We want to wait till we get above value area high because we could reject that and come back down. See how our heat map looks. Health technology is down. Oracle is down. AVGO down 2%. Home Depot's down. Nothing dramatically bleeding, though. So all-time high on ES now, 78.40. We're retesting 78.20. Something to watch here. 5 points lower is POC. If there's going to be longs, this area has to hold. If we slide through here, I don't think you're going to want to be long from down here. I don't think. So let's see what this wants to do. This is why I don't trade until the opening range is set. Still got 5 minutes. Any questions about all those trades this week? I mean, you could say, Austin, why did you move your stop loss? I kind of explain that. I get confident and I think I'm never going to be wrong, and I fucking do it, especially when I'm trading small. But if you look at like the lessons, I know I talked a lot, but if you just look at the lessons of the week, fuck, man, Tuesday, just walk off. Like when you get paid like this quickly, I usually end up giving it back. I keep trading that same day. So that kind of sucks. But more importantly, on this one, what sucks is not just getting stopped. I made money 7 micros. I'm in 2. If I just close this here, I'm still green on the day. It's just greedy. It's just me thinking I'm never going to be wrong. That's when you trade for so long and you do well, you know, like I've done well, it's the worst thing. It's overconfidence. It's very hard to fight it. Because you want to see your ideas out. You have all this experience. You want to be right. But at the same time, it's like, nah, that took the stop. Trust it, you know? But then look at this trade yesterday, right? Where my discretion, I get long here, minus that news pin, I would have been fine to hold this trade all day with the wider stop. But the difference, now get into the weeds of it, like look at the previous day New York VWAP here. That's your interim support. If you look at the other trade where I moved the stop loss, there's nothing here. See, it just hits the stop. There's no levels there. It just goes. So at least in yesterday's trade, I had a reason to give it, what was this, 2 days ago, Wednesday's trade, give it a little bit of a reason to do that, you know? But still, without those Asian session wins and without the double break wins, my week would be cooked. Break and retest has not worked well for me this week on the couple of times I did it. But the double break has paid really well. There's been a lot of double break wins, not too many losses. Like, look, even on the Russell, there was a double break win before my trade. There was a lot of double breaks this week. But this is where I'm at this month. I know you guys like to see this. So you can see like July, ripping. Took a bunch of payouts. So far in August, 1 payout. What are you going to do? See me at the end of the month. I trade the month. I don't trade the day. You know what I mean? We're going to have weeks like this where we're surviving. You take away that big red day on the 14K there, I'd be green this month still or break even. But the good news is I'm only one $600 trade away from being green on the month. So I'm really just break even. Just part of the game. That's why I'm talking and ranting about this to you guys this morning. It's part of the game. Just meant, what's your thought process in expanding outside? Were you looking for more? I just think you go small, Alex. That's the only thought I have about it, bro. It's like if you're going to go trade Russell one day, like I just did, just trade it small. Do you want to be right or do you want to make money? I like being right and making money, Chris. That's the fucking problem. Can you see? I think you did a good job this week. Thanks, Dusty. I appreciate it. I try, and I want to show you guys all the trades too, so you can see how to kind of survive it. You know what I mean? Like, it's a tough week. I'm not going to go on my soapbox yet, maybe later, but I just want to challenge all of you to like unfollow anyone that did not post their P&L this week. All your favorite trading guru influencers that posted some motivational shit but didn't post their actual P&L, I would unfollow them. They're hurting you more than they're helping. Oh, speaking of which, now he's coming on. See, the biggest one.
The biggest, the baddest.
What's up?
What's
dude?
going on? Good morning. How you doing?
Good.
Sorry, I got to stand up.
Three
I didn't realize I was sitting.
60 improvement of my typical loss. Yeah, William, it's great, dude. Do you use yesterday's New York session? Yep, Ollie, it's taking everything in. Take away losing days. I'm green from the Arnold. That's genius, brother. You're fucking genius. Yeah, Bitcoin's down 1%, back to 62,000. Oil's flat this morning. Do we have any breaks yet? No, but all four indices look like they want to go together here. Starting to, at least, to the upside. Friday drifter. Potential is always there. No sellers. We just drift. Potential.
What's up, boys? Yeah, I mean,
That's a nice sweep of those overnight lows.
Good recap.
Like,
Good recap.
Look at the sweep of those overnight lows by a pin right off the 20.
Yeah, I mean, the range still isn't set, so we'll see if we get a break rather quickly. NQ looks good for longs.
I think you just want to be careful here.
Range set.
In this like 5-point range, you're going to get jammed up at the value area high potentially. We can still make money being long above it. I just think you may run into resistance here and then look left and say, oh, it was already resistance. Why did I get long there? Like all morning, it can't get above 78.30. I'm not going to buy at 4 points underneath that. Does everybody understand what I'm saying? Look left.
Yeah.
Bounce
I'm
down,
looking.
bounce down, bounce down, bounce down, bounce down. You want to buy it now thinking now it's going to go through? It might, but I wouldn't. That's not the way to trade. You play what it's doing, not what you do, not what you want it to do.
Yeah, I want to see us take that 78.30 level. And then NQ at the same time needs to be breaking out of that, like its highs from yesterday. It tapped that into pre-market too and hasn't broke above it. So twice it yesterday, tried to break it in the New York session, that 30, call it 30,250, 280, somewhere in there.
Yeah, it still has like 2% to all-time highs too. NQ still has a lot of room to move.
Yeah, it's like 800, 900 points.
2.7. So I'm trading Asia. Our double break start or not? No Asia double break. Yeah, Leo called the short at the open, huh? Evan?
Yeah, he did. He didn't say for how long. He said take your profit.
No, he just said short. If we would have shorted it when he came on here, he was at 78.28, would have made 10 points.
Well, hopefully he's still not in the short.
No, he's out of the short.
Okay.
We're talking about my son, not Leo, in the chat, by the way.
Oh. He
He
said
was on stream
short.
with us this morning. Yeah, Leo was
I
on
love
stream this
it.
morning. He came running in here and he said to short it. Evan asked him.
Hillary's got Miles telling me to go make money. Like that's what he said. Goodbye, Dad. Go make money for us. I need to buy more
Yeah,
toys.
it's good. Yeah.
So I was like, okay.
Sorry,
Thanks,
Chris.
Matt. More pressure.
JW, it's a part of our automatic VWAP indicator that's paid. Yeah, it's not a part of the free indicator. The free indicator does not include that. All right. Yeah, so this is a new song from Ben. Listen to this.
Tropical again.
Black shirt club scene.
NQ out the top.
The line of the way.
ES out the top, too.
Sun come up easy, no need for the rush. Kettle on the stove and the charts waking up. I
don't chase the candle when you're running up the hill. I just watch the volume and I sit right still. Cause price is a traveler, you wander and you roam.
All right, let me turn it down. Make it a signal here.
You want the double break short to previous days New York view up, POC?
Mm-hmm.
There it is. No news today.
We had retail sales. We got something, Michigan sentiment coming in at 10.
Trump speaks at
I almost
3 o'clock.
like the short so much because if it's wrong and we go above value area high, like I just know I don't want to be short up there. So I'm like thinking about it from a risk perspective.
You know, big
like,
movers
what
on the stocks.
What are your thoughts on it being a 9-point opening range and risking
It's tight.
5? You go for
Is
like
it
4
really?
points. Like
Gee.
this thing could just, the candle could flip the other way and stop you out if you have too tight of a stop on this.
Yeah, my stop's at right above value area high, 32. 10-point stop.
Yeah, okay, so you basically can let those, then you give it some room to breathe. No, that's good.
I mean, it's one of those momentum candles where it's like half the size of the range, if not more.
Exactly. Yep, that's what I was just thinking. No, my job is to take the double breaks, dude. I can't care too much. If I'm, like I said, I like if I'm wrong on this, I know I'm going to be a buyer up there later. So I'm very much I like that stop loss. If the high is taken, I should not be short.
I'd like to be long. See if we can get a pullback to view up. If it breaks it, then it'll present a double break just as well. But as of now, NQ's above. So we keep an eye on YM and ES. Because YM can give a
YM's
double break to the downside in a minute. And again, hasn't played out yet, but the break the range was just a quick pin. There's no like full strong momentum like we did yesterday, where there was no double break because it just left the range.
Yeah.
And same thing with YM's break. It's like the smallest break you've ever seen. Yeah, there goes NQ. Back at its highs. Oh, well.
Ercon said he's short on NQ.
Well, that's tough.
It's still same thing, though. It's rejecting value area high.
Yeah, it had it same thing pre-market, where the value area highs are the same.
See, like I'm looking at if YM gives you a double break to the downside, YM is full VWAP alignment and near value area low.
Look at that break
YM
up range
will
high. You can barely see it.
Yeah, you can barely see it, but YM will look like a full VWAP alignment short
Yep.
coming down
Yeah.
through value area low.
And NQ's got full
So-
alignment long. So what is that? ES a shit show? Because you got not full alignment. You got New York and
Oh,
overnight in alignment.
I would guess YM is red because of health technology so much. AVGO is the only thing in electronics that is really red. So I don't know.
And
My
YM
TP is low, man. My TP's back at POC. You know what I'm saying? I got it here at 14 in case she slides.
Okay, she goes.
YM is below its all its value areas. So it's like the complete flip, the inverse of ES and NQ in that sense.
NQ can't get above that yesterday's
Yesterday's
high,
high.
value area high. Do we get 3 double break short signals? I mean, because YM could give one in a minute if it does fall back underneath.
Daddy needs it, so been a rough week on the double break. So I'd like to go back to what we did on Monday, where all the double breaks won. That would be fantastic. I'd take a boner candle, actually. I'd take a boner candle and 3 wins on the double break, please.
Get a slide. Ryan, to drag your stop, I think it's like in the settings. Randy was saying, go to the tradings tab. What was that?
Project
Randy?
market orders.
Project orders for market orders. I mean, you could always drag a stop loss. Do you mean like before he got in?
Leo, my son's name is Leo. That's who we were talking about. Pre-market, he was on stream with us trading.
Yeah. Is NQ going to give one? SanDisk is up 6%, but from the gap.
Yeah, nothing is really red minus SpaceX. That's it. Everything else is green. Amazon is going to turn green now. Yeah, everything else is green.
No, not true. Oracle red, health technology red, producer manufacturing is down, getting dragged down. So the Dow is red. US.
I'm sorry. I'm looking at the Mag 7. That's it.
Yeah, Mag 7. But this is going to come down now because these orders that just came on above got filled at 22, and then they just literally nothing else. Ooh, there's a boner.
Yeah, you had a buy sweep there.
quick pin to the New York on NQ. Right back at its high.
Didn't hit target.
No.
No.
YM
flipped.
breaking out again.
So what's pushing that? Do we have news coming through? Trump going to get me twice? Am I going to get pinned twice this week? Trump, yeah, he's talking. Trump budget director Vaught, our Navy ships are at capacity with major backlogs. I don't know. That's not moving the market.
There is a bunch of sell iceberg sitting up here, Austin, at like 78.30. So
What does that mean?
it's just going to suppress, like keep price suppressed there. So on your side, like there's a bunch of icebergs that keep firing and sitting there. And there's like a big iceberg sitting at 78.32.
Got it. That's the high.
Ryan's been typing your stop loss value. Yeah, you're way behind on that one.
Yeah.
Definitely. Because even if you don't
Okay.
just project market orders, just put like a green and red P&L tool on the trade.
It's right here.
line.
You just
Yeah,
come in
or
here.
that.
It's right here.
Definitely not type
easy.
it.
Yeah, I like my stop.
Yeah,
If
like
I'm
those
wrong,
pins.
yeah.
Well,
If
actually,
I'm
you're
wrong,
in
I'm
short.
wrong. It's shaking, dude. Yeah. I mean, it sucks that it's in drawdown, but I'm not going to cut it here because if it comes lower, I'll be like, why did I get out of it? You know what I mean? The invalidation point is 32.
Dennis, what'd you get fucked on? Double break short.
What other trades are we in?
We said he got fucked again as if it's personal.
Too tight of a stop.
See if NQ can still give the double break short here and pay to the bottom of
ES
VWAP.
is saying ES is painting at a loss, but like I would never just put my stop right here when there's all these orders here and this value area here. Like I would never do that. You know what I mean? Do I need to explain that more clearly? I feel like we've talked about that.
I don't think so. If you look to the left, like how tight all the structure is right there, you got to be even like forget value area, just look structure
Yeah,
to the
see,
left.
he just put his stop loss right at the structure to the left. It's tough. To not expect it to retest that's just a little bit aggressive, you know, in my opinion. We're getting there, Dennis. Discretion will build with time, dude. You get to see me take the trades. You see your trade, compare it. You know what I'm saying?
It looks like you got 2 pre-market trades as well, so just slow things down.
Even just size down if you're going to be taking these double breaks. Just size down, play them out for a while, get used to trading it. Having that discretion, having the stop a little bit bigger or smaller, whatever it needs to be.
Well, I wouldn't make it smaller, Dennis. Yours is already too small.
Exactly. It's not what
NQ's trying to hold its VWAPs here. Russell's breaking for a new high.
Want to be a buyer now on ES, Evan?
On NQ. I don't like how rangy just in general ES is. With the
Right
VWAP.
into value area high. You're going to buy it before value area high when it hasn't been broken yet?
No, I'd just rather be a buyer. I'm not bearish on the day.
Sure. Yeah, I like ES to come back to 20.
I want to short
as
through
fast as
3
possible
VWAPs in the POC. If that wins, I'm fine missing that thing. If that loses, that's just going to look horrible. But we'll see if we get the double break. That can make things easier.
I think you're going to get it. So that's why I'm asking you. It's so close to VWAP. You think you're not going to get a candle through the VWAP now? Yeah, you got good lift on the Russell out. But will it sustain?
Yeah, YM broke its opening range to the top side. Ev's not in anything. Ev is flat. Right, Ev?
Yeah, nothing on NQ yet. Might be
This is
taking
gonna
you
give
up
you-
here.
It's going to give you another signal potentially on ES. Yeah, here it comes on NQ, like you said. Yeah, it's just like by the distance, Dennis, too. Like this entry is at 22, stop at 28. I mean, that's we're scalping now, bro, for sure. That's really tight. I'm a 10-point stop kind of guy usually. You know what I mean? Gives the market enough time to breathe. Maybe more sometimes. So just because I know I'm not that good of a scalper like that, like in and out, in and out, in and out. I'll tilt. So it's better for me to be a little wider stop loss. Could get a double break still on YM. Don't discount that yet.
like you were saying, for this long, if this does finally get taken out, you don't want to be short anymore, especially on a Friday. It takes all the time to not go lower. You could then pivot.
Tanner, you're going to need a different data feed for YM if you just got the CME bundle. You're going to need
Yeah.
CBOT.
Yeah, it's kind of stupid that's how it works, but
So
whatever.
stupid. I never realized until I got into trading how many different like feeds for like everything you need. If you
Mhm.
want to like, if you don't want delayed data, you have to basically have all these different. Yeah, it's CBOT. Thanks, Shaw.
Yeah, look how, like, out of all four indices, what looks the best? Look at the Russell. It filled at 65. 65 was on the book this morning.
I haven't
Yeah, I'm
got
getting
my
this-
settings in Russell yet. I got to redo it.
Are you going to get the signal on in Q? Nope, not yet.
I mean, text
Will Evan
somewhat-
buy it then? Come on, Evan, do something. Poke the bear, Evan.
Why you got to be short? Why do we got to fade each other? Why can't you just
Who
like the long?
cares?
Ev,
Stick
just
to
buy
the
some
thesis,
calls.
Play the thesis.
True.
Buy some calls, Ev.
You see the fear to fade me?
Oh,
I'm
fuck
not having a good
off.
week.
Well, if
I'm not
there is a
having
week
good
to
week.
do it,
Fade,
this week,
bro. Have me. Yeah, fuck me,
there's a
dude.
week to do it.
And I'm coming in today trying to make my fucking nut and get my month back on track. So fucking, I'm not what I was in
Sure.
fucking July. In July, I couldn't piss anything except gold. You know what I'm saying? So
We got the double break.
If you get
Dude, pain.
78.20, take your profits on this trade. That's my 2 cents. I'll chime in, and I'll stay out of it
Yeah.
after this.
I think I have a TP at POC. Under
I know.
POC,
I heard you
know.
say. I heard you say that before.
I'd like a pullback to 7,800. So, because I think if you take overnight lows, it could go wherever. Overnight lows is 20. So I think if we take the 20, I'm not ready to get out there. That's the breakout, and I have a good price.
I'm gonna try the double break short on NQ through
Good.
the overnight VWAP, but they got the value very high. Got the stop loss at high today.
Take value too.
Whoops.
I'm gonna be a bitch and stay flat.
So it's right down
Good.
the overnight. But I think if this does bounce and makes a new high, then I am definitely done with the shorts. And I'll be
Yeah.
looking for longs and expansion in the afternoon or
Exactly.
later morning.
Exactly.
If it does just sink to the even just to this previous day's New York. Because again, I don't know if
Yeah.
I'm bearish on the day looking left, just to scalp it down to the bottom of range and then reassess position from there.
Let's see, Ev. Let's make some money together, buddy.
Sure. We got 10 o'clock.
You just
I
don't
can do
bail.
10,
You don't
10 o'clock
fucking
news,
get out of that until that stop loss is hit.
10
You
o'clock.
close it
news,
early,
hopefully.
you're fired. Okay, guys.
Erkan, what are you looking at for
giveaway form in
TP
the
on your
chat.
short?
Who, Austin? Me?
No, Erkan short.
No, Erkan.
short on NQ. But he took it from the
Erkan
highs.
premium, premium,
never-
bro, premium regime change, premium regime change.
All right, 10 o'clock.
You change my regime.
I don't think I'm capable of doing that.
Erkan is. Erkan will change my world.
Here it comes, boys. Bang.
It's just a little wick. See what happens. Was it Michigan consumer sentiment?
Yeah. Actual 51, forecast 55. So that's down a little bit. It's good for you guys. It sounds bearish. I don't know what it means, but
I mean, this is, yes, it's rangy.
Yep.
Now, if you hate the double break, the only other play would be go the minis here. Would be the long off the same price with the same stop. It would be my trade is inverse. Same entry.
Yep.
Reverse stop loss.
Yeah, this is what-
trading back to the
this
value
is-
very hot. Like,
It
you don't
makes
wanna
it tricky.
grab before.
Because, like, do you want the break and retest long or do you want the double break short? I can see how you could play it both ways. You know what I mean? Everybody, it's really personal discretion. Like, I'm leaning into the double break a lot right now. Some of you really like pullbacks to VWAP and bounces off of VWAP. No one's right every time. You know what I mean? You just have to stick to your thesis. You don't want to be in Evan's double break short or my double break short, but then swayed by information on the other side of that and then make an emotional decision that fucks up the thesis of your side of the trade. Like my side of the trade, Evan's side of the trade is we're short until the high is taken. When the high is taken, shorts are dead. Otherwise, we think we can make some money to the downside. And we could be wrong. We're at all-time
That was
highs, and we're
that was
short.
one of the bad
We're
things.
playing double break.
I think yesterday, one of the trades this week where it's like the stop loss. I think it was Wednesday when I took the losses. Like the stop loss wasn't where like my bias then flips because it was
Yeah.
like, I can still see it working, but I
Right.
can't
That's
widen
the
it.
trickiest
And with
one.
this, it's like if this makes a new high today, you still gonna be marrying shorts? No.
That's the trickiest one, bro.
So
No.
this should only take one attempt. You're gonna be right or wrong. I'm not gonna need to probably play it twice. If it does
I like what
present
I'm seeing on ES at 78.15. 10 points lower.
That's POC.
how's the minis levels? Pretty identical. Value area highs at the high.
Oh, so yeah, you're looking to trade it down opening range low, Archon.
Yeah, double break. Gold has a double break. Does it?
YM's coming back down. YM might give you a double break too. And then we'd have all three double break shorts in play. I can't get into Vanquish.
Mine's running.
Yeah, man.
Oh, maybe not.
Should I not refresh my
Okay, I'm
screen?
in. No, I'm in. I'm good. It was me. User error.
You doubling down with some puts? Double down, double down, double down.
No. Maybe. I literally just opened it up.
$731 puts would be.
731? What?
Come on,
It's
NQ.
7.
Look
Oh
cute.
my god, that's too
Come on.
confusing. Why are they both the same? Q is 733, and the other one's 778. That's so confusing.
Yeah, because my NQ is 30,000 and you're at 7. It's quite different for ES NQ. Does gold have a double break? Yeah, gold's got a double break long. Interesting.
770.
The chop this week is just brutal.
Yeah, I mean, whatever you're in, just stick through it. If you're in the long, it's still valid. If you're in the short, it's still valid. So don't overthink it. Don't overmanage it. And
Am I wrong though, dude? Like this couple of days, we've had more choppy days this week than we had, I think, in many other weeks. In
well,
the
what was
past.
Wednesday? We sat for literally 2
CPI.
hours. Thursday, yesterday, just ripped, slow drift. So that's in some way boring, just like chop.
Yep.
So yeah. It's funny that it's chopping this week when we're making new all-time highs.
Yeah.
That's usually what it does.
Well, in 5 days last week, we moved 400 points. 2 weeks ago,
Right.
basically up to the highs. And then now we've just been sitting here in this. You look at previous week's value area, low to value area high.
ESPN value area high there.
Once I can get into Vanquish, I'm going to buy some calls, but it's not letting me in.
YM
On
did
the
not
futures.
paint the double break yet. I'm down $200 on my position.
On the future side, I want to see us break above value area high, hold it and come back and retest it, and then I'll look for a long. I'm not going to chase it if this pops here.
I mean, this goes against everything in my bones. I'm just playing the double break. Everything else tells me to long it.
Even into value area, you're saying that?
Yeah, I
Like
can trade up
you'd
to
buy
it.
it right now.
If I was long, I'd be out at this high. Like trading for the next higher high. You get the pullback, trade up to previous structure. If it breaks out, it breaks out. I don't need it to break out.
Gotcha.
But also,
I was
there's one value area high, but there's 3 view ups and a POC beneath me and bullish sentiment to the left. So it's like, do those 5 things strong enough to be like, yeah, let's ignore value area high? Not ignore it, but is the one value area high enough to keep me out of a long with everything else trending higher? One not.
Yeah, I was
5
tempted.
pros.
I was tempted
For
to
me,
buy it
it
at
is.
26. And I was just like, what we have above us, I need to see that.
How much
level
does that
of break
make you?
and hold.
How much does that make you on that shoulda, coulda, woulda trade? How much shoulda, coulda, woulda would that be?
Who? Me?
You. Yeah.
I didn't say I should have. I said I wanted to buy it at 26 and I didn't.
No, I know. I'm just
You're saying
asking
what-
how much monopoly money does that make us?
I don't know. I got to do the math. I'm not good at
So
math.
it's NQ's the easier long. ES has Bad VWAP, choppy.
Anyways, I'm not
Follow
chasing
their
along.
comments,
Is what
my
I'm
bad.
trying to get at. To anybody in the chat that wants to get long, I'm not going to chase along here.
It's got to be at the VWAP. The time to long NQ is when I shorted it. You're either short or you're long at the VWAP. You don't do anything now. You know, because now you're at the extreme where if I was long, I'd be taking profits now. So it's not where I'd be jumping in.
Bookmap looks good. If this does hold value area high, it'll look good for longs later if it stays like this. I'm in it till 33, 34. I've stop loss at 33. I just felt like it might need to hit this value area. And I felt like I didn't want to be long into it. So I'd rather be short until I know I'm above it. And then when I'm above it, then I'll be, like Randy was saying, break and retest long. That's the game
So
plan for the day.
whoever that seller is sitting at 21, that iceberg, it's been on since
Here comes YM double break. I'm about to
an
get a
hour
trigger signal.
pre-market.
Thanks, Shaw. I'm glad you got my joke.
Shaw, keep your shit to yourself, bro. It's Friday.
Yeah, double
No time
break
for
on YM
no time for jokes around here.
on value area low. If this one wins, we're going to say this was the best looking one. VWAP alignment to the downside and at value area low.
Yeah. Now you add in on the ES and NQ.
Yeah, like
That's
a
good.
nice boner candle down off value area high would be sick. NQ still in play. Curl a little lower for you. You'll be all right.
I mean, let's see. Yeah, chip stocks are just up again, so it's
Yep.
a fun NQ. Because the Mag 7 itself is super choppy and slow, but it's the chip. Not the chip,
the
man. The
chippies.
chip. Got a couple
Yeah, I can't.
IM shorts.
I'm putting the giveaway form in the chat again, everybody. Don't forget, we got 3 accounts to give away. Yeah, I'm riding mine out.
You
Stop
got it.
loss only 4 points away. Yeah, I'm not
I
getting
don't know
out
how
of it.
many times pulling my trades early saved me.
Nothing. Never.
More than being like, fuck, why'd I do that? And then you jump back in.
If
yours look
anything,
like?
it fucked your mental.
Oh, look at
Yeah,
that, dude.
I'm
That's what I'm
like,
saying.
shit.
Do not get out of that early.
Because I'm like, should I have done that? And then do I flip? Then you just open yourself up to trouble.
Did you say add in?
Aircon,
Huh?
Huh?
Should
I
add
didn't say
in
anything.
now that YM has a signal.
Yeah.
Joking, chat. Don't do that.
Gage, if you do that, how's your mom going to pay rent if you stop taking the double break? Come on, NQ. Come down for young lad. Fuck me and ES, dude. I'm having a red week. Just let me be red and leave me be. Fucking pay the snow prince. He doesn't usually do the double break. He's
Don't bring
afraid.
everyone
He's
else
scared.
down
He's
with
in,
ya.
he's in the fucking thick of it right now.
Jeez.
he's probably looking at his phone, canceling his bottle service reservations he made when he took the trade.
I'm returning
He's
that.
like, shit, now I got to reassess my plans
Sending the
tonight.
suit back.
Thanks, Gage. She can stay anytime.
Yeah,
But
my
she has to
ass
bring her
is
dad too.
her
I only want
TP.
them if they come together. I don't want them. I don't want her alone. It's your asset, Evan. Can you get this thing to move?
She doesn't
Did
know
you
it's
tell it to
listening.
go sideways? Did you just tell it to go sideways? Was that a joke that you wanted
Even
to
though
play
she's
on all of us?
blind.
You sick fuck.
She doesn't listen to me.
It's the small caps, man. Small caps are still making new highs right now.
RTY?
YM could be paying. See?
Boner down. Come on. Move. I'm tired of the chop. I'm gonna break something. Play Limp Bizkit. Fuck this reggae shit. Fuck. I'm gonna crash out. Someone tell me. Someone get me going. Someone in the chat trigger me. Let's get Austin fired up today.
Why are you red this week? Why you
Tell
not have
someone-
100 Why you not have
Yeah.
100%
So
win rate?
tell one of my friends to go another day without posting their red day in it before I fucking block their phone number.
Why do
I'm
you
not your
have a-
friend. I'm not your trading friend if you don't show your red days. I'm your worst fucking nightmare.
Uh,
On my deathbed, I'll share all the names. I'll give receipts.
oh,
He was
man.
always a fucking cheap bastard.
right, slide.
Ooh,
Come on,
Sebastian,
Evan. Come on,
should have
Evan.
gone
Let's
with-
go, Evan. Come on. I want this to win for you, dude. You wearing a sport coat? What are you wearing?
I
Yeah,
changed
no.
into my aloe. You said it was
Oh,
casual
Aloe
Friday.
versus Lulu.
Who is
Why
this guy
sport
this
so bad
week?
at sport?
Comes in with a collar.
Everyone
shirt on
stop
Monday.
ruining it. Nick, relax, calm down. Arnold, you're not even American. You don't get to comment on our sports. Like, don't make me start throwing shots. Arnold, where are you from? Norway? Sit down.
And you did ask for this. Jeez. You asked for them to rage bait you.
Yeah.
I did. Smoking jacket. Yeah. That's a nice thing that we lost in this culture. Smoking jackets.
Ev just needs to smoke. That's the only
All
problem.
fashion comes back around. Don't you know that?
It's crazy. Like
Including
both you
smoking.
and James used to vape so hard.
Why is that crazy? You know,
'Cause
Randy
you
was
both
sucking
don't
down
at
real-
all now.
Randy
I
was
fucking
sucking
never
down real-
vape, buddy. Ever. Don't put those words in my mouth.
Yeah, you were just
on
doing
your
the
mouth,
cowboy
bro.
killer. There's no filters for
Yeah.
breakfast.
Fucking right.
Is that much better?
Like a man, obviously.
Like a
Not my
man.
douche flute.
Like a man.
Sitting there looking for a plug. Hey man, can you charge my vape, please?
I never
Yeah,
did those.
Battery ran out.
Yeah,
My
plug it
coil
into my
burnt
butt
out.
plug.
No.
Passing it around the room. Oh, you burnt my coil out, buddy.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Now it's lip pouches. Now everybody wants to. James kept trying to share lip pouches.
Ew.
Yeah.
I don't want to share his.
Evan
He's-
blows
he's the
O's for
biggest
every
fiend
trade
I've
he
ever
wins.
seen. I've been around some nicotine fiends, and James is the biggest one I've met.
I mean, dude, it could be worse, bro.
Must be big in South Africa.
Whatever market maker is watching the stream right now, Austin, for ES is really just toying with you. Just literally
I'm not
toying
sweating it,
with
dude. I'm not even big in it. I'll get big in it, and then it can feel like it's toying with me.
I'm just saying, whoever that market
You want me to
maker,
add?
know you're watching.
You wanna
They know you're
add?
watching.
There's
Don't
definitely
do
a-
it. They're watching. Don't.
Add it. Come on, Evan. Bring the
There's a
cubes down,
range.
and then I'll add.
Add on a higher low. Is that what we do in these parts?
The market makers think you're going to paint your house. They're like, yeah, not a chance. He ain't painting his house. We're going to shut him
Maybe
down.
we'll give you wallpaper for one room, but the whole house, buddy, slow down.
No, yeah.
Slow your roll. Yeah, definitely slow.
Funded and free. Yeah, I told
Not that this can't keep going higher, but like the ideal long would have been like you're bouncing and then we're trending. This hasn't continued trend. It's still just playing within this range that we're trading to the
Now
downside.
you're high. Too much resistance up there still.
I was going to say play boner candle, but it could summon the wrong boner candle. So
Honestly, dude, I don't care. Like, I'd take any boner over no boner any day.
everybody in the chat, for every time Austin says, I don't care, you got to do a shot.
Dude, I don't care.
Let's get
at all.
a tally going.
I don't care. You don't realize how selfish I am until you come to stream. I don't care, but I care more than everyone. That's the fucking problem. I'll be right back.
Just want to feel something. See you,
Peace,
Peter.
Peter.
All right, that's a close beneath me. Well,
I care about Evan. That's what I care about.
thank you. Do you?
That's my Snow Prince. That's my Snow Prince. Yeah, ES is giving a double break right now. I told you, we're going to get ES, YM, and NQ double break winners today. Come on, baby. Fuck the Russell. I don't even know how to spell Russell. Fuck it. Small cap, this and that.
Trust the double break.
Bring it. Just fucking pay us, dude. Pay us. Pay
Just
us.
slide already, you know?
Pay us.
Give me some momentum.
Pay us. Hello? Yeah, market maker? Yeah. I'll tell Randy. Fuck off. Okay.
I was just about to get short with you.
He said, Randy, he
Thinking
said,
about
stop talking about me and telling everybody our shit. I said, I'll tell him, fuck you. You said, fuck you.
I'm all about the exposés, bro. All about the exposés.
Randy's going to go undercover to the CME. Can you see my
Undercover
orders?
boss.
Can you see my orders? Where's the heat map?
I was going to pose
Randy's
as
like
an Indian
dressed up as
janitor.
Bane. He's Indian Bane. He's like got the fucking mask on. Where's the fucking orders?
Where's Rachel?
You got.
That's a good pain voice, Eb.
Well,
Thank
dude,
you.
when we
Been practicing
when we
that?
go to New York, when we go to New York next month, we should talk like Batman the whole time.
Gotham needs us. I saw some video where it's like, I'm going to name my child Gotham so that when my wife wakes me up in the middle of the night, she's going to say Gotham needs you.
That's good.
Like, all right, I'll go tend to Gotham. Gotham needs me. I'll be back.
That's so funny. Boner candle song. Are we gonna get rewarded on a Friday?
I mean,
Come
now it's
on,
10
Randy.
10:16, so let's be done with this by 10:30, shall we? Your 15-minute candle. Suck it. Lower.
Who said that?
That was also Bane.
Who quoted? You're just like deep in a Christopher Nolan movie, and all of a sudden Bane goes, "Suck it, Batman."
Inverse of a boner candle would probably be like a whiskey
A
candle.
boner candle. Why does everyone think boners only go in one way? I don't understand. It's like, Randy, they're colorblind against your fucking boner candle. They're like, no, you can only have one color of a boner candle. No, you never been boned both ways. Then.
Yeah.
Trade a little longer and you'll get it. Trust me.
It's just an inverted. Who's on top? That's all.
Got
that
another
matters.
double break on ES.
That's what I
Yeah,
said.
I'm looking at. I got it set up. I'm tempted.
I am no good.
I'm salivating at my chops or whatever that's.
Rachel, where's the boner candle?
Just YM is being the ugly redheaded stepchild.
Redheaded. That's a new
Well,
one.
Evan,
YM's back.
you did it. You didn't bail like I told you not to. And you're back in the green, bro. You're my
Okay.
boy.
My boy Blue.
I wonder how much my options are up. Only 170
What'd you
bucks.
take?
I didn't get
You
enough.
took a put?
The 777s, remember?
Good luck. That's a good luck. Good number. What does Bookmap look like on ES? Yeah, do we have something?
Take your
That
trade.
order's
in.
below at 15.
You said you were going to do
Yeah.
something there, so do something.
I said I was going to take it previous days in New York.
Get out so it slides.
All right, fine. Right on the VWAP.
I'm back at entry now, so now I'm going to get fucked now that you're out. I'm either going to, this is going to boner candle lower, or I'm going to be like, you little greedy bitch, didn't close it. See the rejection of the value area, Dennis? I know no one will say this in the chat, but Austin, great read on having the wider stop loss. I know. How did we know that? Well, because when the stop loss aligns with a value area or a VWAP, I always try to give it more space. And the fact that it was value area high and pre-market highs, that's why the stop goes above all that. Okay?
Well, is that's maybe even arguably too high, no? I know.
What? You do shut the fuck up.
That's-
Don't even try that argument.
That's way into a new high a day. You still want to be short?
Relax. This
20
is my
points?
asset. This is my asset.
All right, that's true. That's true. I won't fight you
my
there.
asset.
My ass.
Look,
Asset.
Austin, somebody put in the chat. Austin, great read on the stop loss.
Well, I said it now, Randy, so I don't think it means as much to me, but yeah.
Double break played out on
Thanks.
NQ. So it should change into a check mark here in a second.
So we got one on
One
ES.
YM still alive.
Yeah, good job on NQ, Evan.
And then ES has a second one that's about to hit. Brittany, nice. Yeah, like I said, 10:15 is when it really started to get some juice. So you want to be done with it by 10:30.
Just- You look at this, right? On a 1 minute, it's doing a lot. But then I look at the 15 minute and I look at how tight this range is. I'm like, dude, this from where it is now to here is 10 points. That looks like a lot, but it's not. You know what I'm saying? This can go.
That's,
So that's why I'm going.
that's dry. So how many points are you? That's 10 points.
That's 12 points, bro.
Jeez.
Yes. That's what I'm saying. That's why I'm going. Here, target
Very
hit there. It hit
Jeez.
TP there, 19. But I'm going lower. I'm going to swing for it here.
All
Might
right.
burn me, but
Okay.
It's previous days New York.
yeah, I see it.
Yeah, NQ.
I
that
see
previous days
everything
as
in the
well.
way. ES hit the target. So if you were in ES, you don't have to do what I'm doing. I don't want you to copy me. Do you hit the target? It should be a win. I'm just gonna see if I can rock out with my. It's Friday.
It's like, yes, everything is going against me. Yes.
I
Gonna do
just
it.
know what I know, bro. And if we reject the value area high, where do we likely go? Back to POC at least, and then what? Then back to value area low. And there's a lot of people probably long right now. And if they're gonna get trapped, I can make some slide money.
Yeah, I
Slide
like
money.
like-
I like that one.
You like slide money, dog? Yeah, it's slide
Yeah.
money off the street.
Yeah, slide into the room.
Yeah, the gold had a double break in play. Is
Evan,
that
remember,
playing
I'm
out?
funded and free, Evan. I'm funded and free.
Yes, you are. Gold's got a double break. Yeah, might get stopped out.
Look at it. Look at it.
What did that move 1 point?
Look at it. Yeah.
You're gonna get 15. You gonna get it?
I mean, 7,800 looks good. 154 contracts down there. Nice, Jordan. Good job. Good job on the win, everybody. Take it. Take it. Take it.
Good job, guys.
Thank you, NDS. Good job. Get green on a Friday and get the fuck out of here.
Yeah,
or just
I got
stay for the
nothing.
giveaway and lock yourself out.
Nothing on options, just the NQ double break short.
I have it marked up on the second signal. I was going to take it. So even if you didn't take it on that first signal and you see the second one present and you like the way that price to structure and everything looks, we reject off that value area high. That second signal was another easy trade. The second one was, oh, I'm actually mad I didn't take it.
What am I apologizing for, William? Never.
I might take on drawdown on ES to get this move lower. I'm willing to do that. It's going to
Thank
retest
you.
New York VWAP at some. I'm talking relax NQ. I'm talking about my asset. I said
No, it looks good to keep
in-
on going, so that could help.
in this position, just don't expect it to go straight, everybody. Expect it to do this. Something like that. I know you want it to be a straight line. And I do too. But I'm going to take these options off here because I was in drawdown on these. So take some of my short position off. Made $500 there. I'm up 4,200, 4,700 because of the multiplier because I got 14 contracts on some of these accounts here.
Let's go, big dog. Oh, woo, woo, woo.
And again, I'm sure someone's thinking, Austin, why not get out at these levels and then just get in on the retest? I'm thinking the same thing because this 15's getting heavier right now. I'm like, it might bounce. But I'm looking at the time and I'm thinking it's 10:23 and I'm like, I don't want to get out of this in the middle of this candle. Like, I think that if I'm right, this candle is going to close bearish in 6 minutes. So I'm trying to actually stay on the 15-minute time frame. And look, it could end up sweeping this fucking low and coming higher. I see that side of the trade. But I am in the mindset that it touches POC at least because we trade from value area high to POC and then POC to VAL. What do you think of the 15, Randy?
I don't have the 15. I don't look at it. But I agree with you. I like how
No,
you're
no,
going to
no.
hold.
78.15. 78.15, the price.
Oh, it's.
POC.
I think you're tapping those orders
Heavy.
at 15. It's 2 points.
You don't
So.
think that's a-
Remember, it's 2
Now they're
points.
putting
I
on
don't-
some right underneath.
What was your fill price?
22. Yeah, because I got in on the first entry. And I did not add on the second entry. I'm going to try to be hands off for 6 minutes here. It's hard. It's so fucking
The way NQ's looking, I for sure think you're going to get the 15s. But again, like you're not trading NQ. And the orders
trading
on
is so
30,000.
hard. Everybody's like, it's easy because you're making money. No, dude, try sitting in a winning trade after a red week and you got to hold it but you just want to close it because you just want to be green. You know what I'm saying? Like, people just don't realize how difficult trading really is until you're fucking in it, bro. You got to be in it.
But I think that mentality of just closing your trade just because you want to be green is the one that holds people back for a long fucking time.
I mean, I'm at a level to get out of it too, you know?
So I will preface with NQ had a big block of orders at 30,100. They just came off. And I liked how NQ was just continuously pushing lower. So I think you're going to get 15. I would just be
Dennis,
really
it only
mindful
gets
of
easier
15.
if you trade fucking small accounts, dude. I'm trading more money, more accounts every year, so it's not easier. Emotionally, it's harder. You're spending more money, you're putting more money on the line. Doesn't get easier. It's still simple, but it's not easy.
My markup in the chat. I'm out of the NQ short. Just shy of the double break, but it did fulfill and it's done now.
Nice work, Ev.
And then
Good job.
how's YM? Can we get a 3 for 3? It's holding.
Getting closer to the end of this 15-minute bar. The fact that we're not extending, I don't like it because that tells me the next 15-minute bar may bounce us off this POC previous day. Ugh. All right, fine. Fuck, I'm out. It's going to go lower. I'll take 17. Close enough, Randy. 4 minutes left. I don't know. Does this come in 4 minutes and slice? Maybe. But I'm up. I'm up. We up.
So,
5,100.
Friday.
Let's roll.
It's
Let's
Friday,
go.
bro.
5,100. Finally, get some green. Is that green on the week then? Yeah. Fucking right. Fuck. Jesus Christ. What a fucking week. What, bro? It's not easy, bro. At least I'm honest. These fucking people, bro. They're like, no, I make money every day. Like, good for you, dude. I do most times too. But when I don't, it's annoying. Quite annoying.
You're a good,
Good job,
human being,
everybody.
Austin. You're a good human.
Try, bro.
Johan.
No, this is this is the best part about the stream. It's like it's so real. It's not as much as we want to. We're entertaining and having fun, and you see us laughing. There's like emotions going on in the background.
Oh my
It's
god,
like,
dude! You don't think I want to get paid? Got shit to do, bro. Of course. But look, Randy,
got walls to
15 is heavy, bro. Look how heavy it is. And on this POC, everybody, I don't know if it slices, so that's why I'm out. Like, look at the straight line move now. If I didn't get out, that's not how I'm supposed to trade. But there you go. There's the 15s. There, it hit it. Took it.
It's 2 points. It's 2 points
Points.
from
Yeah.
your exit.
Look at NQ.
If
What
you
are
were
we-
targeting,
what
if
are
you were
we-
targeting 78.10 and you got out at 17 and it went to 78.10 and that was your thesis, okay, a different story. But it's like you're talking 2 points. You wanted 15.
not only
you
2
wanted
points,
POC.
I want to POC it, but it's also 2 points through opening range low, previous day VWAP, and POC to get to 78.10, and it's a random price. So it's like I just wanted the money that would pay me to hit max profit for the day. I can't trade for that. I got to trade what the chart's telling me.
Exactly.
I think I should have added, to be honest. That's the
I
fuck
did
up.
it. Well, that's so I would have taken the second signal because I didn't take the first one, obviously. But
Yeah, it's really
that was
good.
when you
Look at
said
the
that
rejection
add-in,
off the value area high, dude. Look at you get that one more kiss up here. No new session high, right?
you don't
the
take a lick
fucking-
of drawdown on that second trade.
No licking
Straight
at all,
down.
bro. No licking at all.
I was gonna say I would challenge you next time when you see that when you talked about value area high and that rejection when you saw that and you saw that second signal, I
you're
would
right.
challenge you to add in.
Right. I know.
So
It's tough.
See if Wyan can come
definitely-
back down, go 3 for 3, even though he has had 1 loss.
That's all I
Thankfully.
want to hear. Just give me the 3 for 3 because I'm giving away 3 top 1 futures accounts today.
let's
Chase
go,
did
baby.
17 MES. I had 14 on some of my accounts, Chase. You can see down here, I had 14 on the multiplier and then 7 on the rest of them. So it puts me up 5,100 on all 18 accounts. And then I got $500 on this options eval on the shorts.
Julie is still in her short. She said if it breaks the 1 hour bull flag, I'm going to add one more contract.
Wow.
No.
Let her go, dude. She's an adult. She'll be fine.
Yeah,
I just
She knows
I
how-
know the way I trade, Julie. For me, like Randy was saying, if I marry it for a few more points and it bounces off of this collision of day trading levels, I'm not doing my job because I can just short this again in the pullback into the 20s and I'll find a second trade. You know what I mean?
Where does adding in average your price to? You know, now it's a way different trade.
Julie trades full time. She's moving to Mexico. She knows what she's doing.
That's cool. Yeah, she knows what she's doing.
I mean, so
here's
Chase,
my
the
note.
size of the range doesn't really dictate like, oh, I'm gonna then not risk as much money as I normally do. You're just gonna probably be able to afford more contracts, but still risk the same. Let's call it $500. But $500 today of risk would probably be 10 micros. Where yesterday on a 30-point range, it's probably only 3. At the end of the day, if you win or lose, you're gonna stand to win or lose the same amount of money every day. That's how I always view it.
Am I allowed to have 2 espressos before 8 a.m.? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 10:30.
I already had
You're
one.
late. You're late.
Isn't that crazy?
Any-
It's 7:30 in the morning, and where Randy is.
I know, dude. He says to me at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, he'll go, "Yeah, enjoy the rest. Enjoy your day, bro." I'm like, "Motherfucker, it's 4 o'clock. My
I'm in
day's
bed.
over. Like I
Yeah, I did.
have kids. My day's over. Like I'm out
I
of
did
work
enjoy
time
it,
now.
thank
I have
you.
to go do other things. Yeah,
Yeah, it's wild.
10:30, juicing a little bit.
Well, now it took out the freaking pre-market low. No,
I told you it could slide. It was that tight range. This goes
Yeah,
10
dude.
points lower easy. It's going 7,800 for sure. It's just a matter of time. I just didn't know if it was going to go in this straight line or if it was going to pull back. Come on, boys. We had a good day today. That's good.
We are in negative regime. My regime,
Oh, Jesus
folks.
Christ. My fucking God. What would you rather do? Put a butt plug in or talk about regime change in markets? Put a butt plug in. I'd put anal beads in my ass over talking about regime change in market. Okay.
What about both? Why can't you do both? Like,
I guess you could. I was just picking one or the other because I don't like either. You like both, so you're doing both. It'd be painful for me, but I'd still do it. You'd enjoy the anal beads. That's the difference.
Oh, give me that coffee. Where is this woman? Let's go.
I want you to start barking at her, bro. I'm tired of this pussy shit of you being all nice to her on the stream. Show everybody how you really treat her like a real Indian husband. Woman, get the coffee in here now. You know what I'm
Make
saying?
her
Like
sit
a
in the
real-
make her sit in the back seat. Do you know that about like
Yeah.
Indians? So
Yeah,
like
yeah,
the son will
yeah.
the son will sit in
Italians
the
were
front
the
seat.
same way.
Yeah, the
No,
mom.
my
sits in
grandma
the
used
back
to sit in
seat.
the back. Yeah.
I told
That's
Hillary
old
that
school,
when we
just,
first got together.
Like respect. You know what I mean? Like, because Italians did the same thing. My grandma used to sit in the back and I would sit in the front, or my dad would sit in the front with my grandpa. Yeah, like it's just respect. A lot
It's
of
so
them
funny how-
values we've lost. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We've lost that shit. Okay, so
Yeah,
we get this one marked up. Yep.
I don't know if
Go ahead,
anyone's in the YN double break, but it's back in profit. It's same. It looks similar to my NQ, how it goes into drawdown, but holding a lower high for now. So until new information of a new high a day, it's still sellers in control. So see if you can get this down. They got no view ups in the way. I mean, I don't have previous days New York turned on, but I have to assume with yesterday's price action, it might be above you. So you might have full alignment for the shorts.
Guys, last call for the giveaway. Last call, then Evan's getting the giveaway ready.
Yep. Gold's still alive as well. So see if that can. Where's the overnight on that thing? Oh, that's pretty extended. I might want to short that thing on the double break. I don't know how it behaves on the double break.
Good
job,
move
Evan.
right down to
I'm glad you-
7,800.
I'm glad you stuck in for the double break, Ev.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I mean, at this point, why wouldn't YM come to target? So now we'll just watch this one. I got the NQ markup. We got ESNQ wins. Now YM should come to target. Undervalue area low. Like I almost want to enter YM right now. Like there's no reason YM doesn't give you money lower now. Look at how good it looks.
Yeah. You could maybe be timing it better now after the lower high is formed and then it breaks in New York again. I mean, if you check the BOC, that's what Rohan did. He joined my double break short on NQ right when it was about to fall. Similar how ES's double break. The second one was the one that nicely paid. No drawdown. Stress-free. Love a good stress-free Friday trade.
Yeah, good job, everybody.
But
So
anyone
good
that
to
was
get-
stressful and then got paid for it, hopefully it's
Dude,
a good test.
This
of it.
fucking week, bro. Look, Monday couldn't be wrong. Monday double break winner YM. Monday double break winner NQ. Monday double break
All
winner
five, right?
ES. Yeah. And then, or three, you mean? Oh,
I
no, it
think
was gold and
the
crude oil. Yeah,
and gold
yeah.
even did. I mean,
Yeah, on Monday. But then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, this week was a little choppy, and then come today, and now it's like double breaks everywhere today. You know what I mean? All wins on all three. So it's like it's interesting. The middle of the week this week, just hard.
Well, middle of the week is when it was decided, do you want to go back to all-time highs or not?
Yeah, I was reading the news.
But nice. So Zena, I've definitely seen your horse in the giveaway, so I don't know if you're looking strong enough.
Yes.
Because you got to remember name, finish on the beat, shebang. So yeah, I can get the list pulled up. I have the giveaway form.
Let's do it. Last call. Get your name on there, everybody. If you're living under a rock and you didn't know, what we're talking about is Top One Futures is still 55% off. But if you bundle with them more than five or more accounts, you get 60% off. On top of that, every time you buy any account, guys, using the code ASFX, it enters you in the chance to win a $1,000 giveaway. Someone in here, 3 people in here are going to win $1,000 each on September 1st. And it's only for using the code. That's it. So it's our way of giving back to you guys. Yeah, Leo was right about the shorts, I guess, today. Do we want to talk about that? That's wild.
Can we just have like a Leo indicator?
Well,
He said
that,
short. I said longer, short. He said short. He thought about it too. If you go rewatch it, he like sat there and like thought for a second and then answered.
Maybe there's something to be said about just simplicity. You know, he didn't overthink it and like taking too much book map info. He just like short. Duh.
Yeah.
Didn't try to be too smart.
Mark, they're going 55% off till the end of the month, and everyone still has a chance. So no matter what you do in August, if you buy with TOF, you're getting the best discount ever. Literally, this is the biggest discount since they launched. They never did 55 since launch last 2 Aprils ago. So you're getting that best discount plus
you're getting the chance to win the cash. And then who's going to use the cash and say, Austin, don't send me the money, put it towards my boot camp ticket? And I'll say, absolutely. So you can exchange your $1,000 for an equal value of a boot camp ticket.
This aged quite well, didn't it?
Oh, can we pull that guy's YouTube channel up? I'm going to guess he has 6 subscribers. How many do you think he has?
That was at 10:17, right when it sank. So that's great timing, actually.
This is why you have to unfollow every fucking jerk off on the internet, bro. They're all a bunch of jerk offs. Everybody. They don't show their P&L calendar.
took it.
They don't show. Yeah, well, Ryan's a fucking genius. The rest of them are jerk offs. I wasn't talking about him.
And then how long do we stream? So today's going to be a shorter stream. We're going to be done in like 20 minutes or so. It's a Friday. Everyone should get off the desk, get out of here. It's been a good week.
Yeah.
But Monday through Thursday, we keep the streams running from like 9:30 to noon Eastern time every day.
I decided to go for a Guinness over the coffee, guys. It is Friday.
Attaboy. Attaboy. Yeah, let's watch this this YM. Just the one that's... Notice how, like, on the book map, too, now that ES is coming lower, not as dark as it was earlier, remember? Up here. ES looking way darker above now. Double break all the way. Get out of here. Yeah, Jan, don't worry about it. Just keep the double break to yourself. If you're making double break money, make it now. Because once all the jerk-offs find out about it, it's fucking over, bro. We're going to have to go double break, triple break. We're going to have to find another fucking edge. It's so simple. All these free YouTube people are going to fucking use it. You know what I mean? And we put out all this YouTube content. We should stop before they erode our edge.
It was interesting on Bookmap that the seller is still sitting up there at 78.32, that iceberg. Like, you know how I was looking at this earlier in the week on the flip side on the longs? How we have like buy icebergs coming and we get a nice bounce off of it and it just holds. This was the complete opposite, but set up perfectly off that previous day's value area high. So if you're looking at Bookmap, you had the indicator, you saw that double break short. If you didn't take it on the first one, that second one just would have been the, like, hey, this was like, yeah, for me, I got to mark this up. This was a great setup. Great setup. And even though I came in with a long bias, that's why I didn't take the first one. So again, we talk about having a bias and how it can get you into trouble. At the end of the day, I didn't chase along. So I don't give a shit because that's all that matters. But it's like, now it's like, again, like earlier in the week when I challenged myself to take that short, I just got to challenge myself now. When you see these setups, just, push yourself a little bit out of that comfort zone and be uncomfortable. I'll mark. This will be a wicked markup for me actually today. I'm excited to mark this one up.
You excited?
Yeah, I am really. When I see stuff on book, I've been looking at Bookmap for so long, dude. And it's like when you start to like really see things come to fruition.
Oh, and then wait till you hear him and Scott jerking each other off on the podcast yesterday. I'm gonna fucking die, dude. I'm on there and them two were like going at it. And then the whole thing is like Scott has all these colors on there and he can't even see the colors. He's putting more on there and just making it all black. I'm like, dude, the whole screen is blue, dark blue. I can't see the black line on the dark blue. There's red and rainbows everywhere. I'm like, it's crazy. And Randy's like following it like exactly. And I'm like, I'm gone, dude. I actually got left with the iceberg they were talking about 20 minutes ago. They left me on the iceberg. That's what it felt like. But at the end of it, we get 50 minutes in the recording. I'm like, okay, boys, I think we fucking stop now.
Yeah, we gotta be done. I was like, we just started.
Nope. You all think I talk like that. I don't. I razzle dazzle. Scott is in the shit, bro. His computer must have 7,000 gigabytes of RAM. He's like, crude oil, Bookmap. ES, Bookmap. Just start pulling shit into the screen. NQ, Bookmap. Oh, add this add-on. Market pulse, this and that. Speaking of that, actually, Randy, can we see the change on my trade? Can you look at my trade on ES?
I have market. I have market pulse up. I don't.
Yeah, there it is. Ev, look at that thing on the bottom, bro.
I don't. And then you have these things up here. Like I'm just starting to figure it out, so I didn't want to talk too much about it today. But I'm watching it. I got it running in the background. It's there. You guys see it's on my screen.
Okay.
But
yeah,
I'm going to get 9 screens as soon as I get to Mexico. Quickly, I'm adding more screens as soon as I'm not even kidding. No fucking joke. Okay, I need more screens. I need more.
Good thing they're cheap.
Yeah.
Ollie, it doesn't stop working. It changes its win rate. Longs will win at a certain percentage more in a different period of time. Like the easy way to explain it, and then let's get into the giveaway. I have to pull that up was in a second, but look at this here. I'll just say this one more time. We've talked about this a lot, so try to remember this for me, everybody. Double break worked fine in April, May, and June as the market moved higher, but you won more double breaks long than short. That's all. Break and retests presented more. And then when the market went sideways this summer, we got more double break shorts winning than we did in this period. That's all. So in this period, if we're moving higher, we'll just get more double break longs that win, less double break shorts that win. Today it did, but it'll still be less overall. You'll get more break and retest opportunity. You'll see. So it's market condition dependent, in my opinion.
100% agree with that.
Double break on YM is still in play. Yes, I believe so. Yep, still in play. I got it on screen for you right here. If you had the indicator, Hassan, you would know that. It tells you. You should get it.
Actually,
Okay,
just
let's
wait.
do it, Evan.
We're dropping a big sale next week, so just wait.
Well, you can get the monthly and then upgrade. They'll have until the end of the
True.
month to upgrade. Yeah, so you can get the monthly and then upgrade it. So, okay, everybody, giveaway today. We got 3 Top 1 Futures Ignite accounts. Remember, everything's 55% off. If you don't know about the Top 1 Futures sale, you deserve to stay poor. That's all I need to say. Evan, start the race.
Yeah, and there's Finish on the beat shebang. I could see it. Here we go. We're in there, of course.
Purdy.
Stephen Purdy, good
Top
luck,
of
dude.
Ready? Oh,
Stephen Purdy, I always knew you were a quick nut.
We're gonna make a late push here. I see us.
Purdy's gonna gas out.
Purdy's been
What
busted.
the hell is Purdy
he's-
on?
He is wheezing.
Jeff
Purdy
N.
is wheezing. Jeff N is
Thoroughbred.
accelerating.
Oh, damn.
Thoroughbred.
Andy.
Oh,
Oh,
No,
low.
Jeff's dead. Jeff's cramping. Hamstring.
Rob.
Rohan,
Who is-
shut the fuck up.
oh, bro.
Rohan,
Rohan.
look at you, buddy. Look at you go, Rohan.
That's
This
well
is a
deserved.
big day,
Comes with the signed
Rohan.
headshot of Evan.
Well deserved.
Oh, we love that. Rohan.
Let's go,
Fini's on the
Rohan.
beat. Known very close.
Rob, Victoria.
Rob close. Craig close. Where were we, Evan? How'd we do?
Not good. I
Okay.
don't see us.
All right, first one to Rohan, everybody.
42.
W's in the chat for Rohan. He deserves it. He's here every day, 100%.
Market.
Always involved. Yes.
Everything.
Yes, Rohan. We love that for you, buddy. Remember, go ahead, Ev. If you're watching this on YouTube, if you're watching this on X, to be a part of our giveaways, you got to be an ASFX TV subscriber. You get access to our private community, all of the fun stuff that we do together. And it's free for 7 days if you click the link in my bio. So make sure you sign up. Crazy race. All right, round two. Let's go, Rohan. Make sure you buy a lottery ticket.
Necktie, Ryan.
Mac Tire?
Oh,
No.
Bill
No,
Egan's
someone
gonna come for the win. Come on, Bill. Let's
you
go. He
kidding
just joined
me?
Just joined the
He's back in the Black
BSC.
Shirt Club, and he gets himself a fucking free account. Look at that. Karma, everybody. Not fixed. It is not fixed. You don't sign up to the Black Shirt Club and actually get a better chance. It just worked out that way for him.
We need to get a
Anthony
stat on
Close.
how many Black Shirt Club members have won. I'm serious. I'm not even kidding. It's crazy.
Yeah, it is.
Yo, Ryan said, bro, shoot my horse, fam. Give me a new one.
Ryan W. You're right here. Ryan Walker. You're in the mix,
good.
at least. At
Listen,
least you're on the screen.
Bill, message me on Discord with your email, please, sir, for Top 1 Futures, and I will get that to you. Also, Rohan, please DM me on Discord or email me, Rohan, and we will get you hooked up. Rohan, I need your country. I don't know where you are, so I need to know your country and your email. Good job. One more Ignite account. Let's do it.
All right, where are we?
All right.
Not
here
in
we
the
go.
front? That's good.
The final giveaway of the week, everybody. It's been an amazing week. A lot of good
Yeah, do
lessons,
it,
a lot of good learning.
Gotta do a minute
and
one.
dude, and back on Monday is playing. It's like a movie in here, dude.
Nothing's gonna
Randall?
top only one.
Randall.
This
Yes.
look at this Randall versus whoever that is, Raphael.
Raphael.
Either one of them. I don't think either one of them is gonna win. Yep.
Smoked. Keith?
See ya. Who's
Oh.
that?
Keith? No. Who is that?
Who?
Sander. Look at you.
Let's go, Sander.
Look, Jade close. Sean, Mr. Overman close. Angel close again. Not enough though. Close, but not enough.
David, yeah.
David.
Oh.
Nice. Sander. Love that for you, buddy. Love that for you. Rohan, Sander. Love that. And Mr. Bill Egan.
And who got last in our last race? Erica.
Jan. Erkan. Premium.
Jennifer, that's
Premium.
tough.
Premium. Bing, 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 bing. He's our
Made money
premium boy.
short. Yeah.
He's our premium boy.
Yeah. That's tough.
Rohan from the Shire. Yeah. Good job, everybody. Very happy. So if you won today, please just reach out to me. I need your email and I need to know what country you're in. Everybody, we're doing a ton of giveaways all week long next week. All week long. So starting probably on Tuesday through the rest of the week. Top 1
Yep.
futures, futures elite, the whole shebang.
And Q's on opening range low. Again, I don't know how bearish we want to get today. Just like looking.
No,
to
we
the
stopped
left.
now.
Yeah,
I think we
so
stopped now.
You just this is still very bullish this week that a higher low could easily. I mean, NQ didn't even take out its pre-market low. So of all
No.
things,
ES
that-
did though.
Yeah, but you made me money. Like, don't get too greedy on a Friday.
My exit on ES was great. It's now above my exit price.
Yeah,
So
that's a great push. Straight line right onto
yeah,
the POC.
yeah, you take it. It paid
You're
you. Paid
welcome.
on Friday.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Austin. You're welcome, Evan. You're welcome, chat.
What?
Everybody's just
If it does
welcome.
this, you know, everybody, one thing we preach is like when it does move in a straight line on these days and it gives you that easy money, take it and leave. You know what I mean? And now look at it sitting at POC. I don't look at this as like I could have made more money. I look at it like I made the right decision to get out here before it gives another move potentially. So I think you keep it. I think you stay flat, lock it up. We come back on Monday. We got giveaways planned all week next week. We might even have a couple special guests come in. You never know what we got up our sleeve. Maybe I show up with another baby one day. That's not what I was thinking about a special guest. Maybe we get Christian in here from Futures Elite. But we could do both. Bring a baby and bring Christian. We can do both. We can do it all. Whatever you guys need. As long as the double break keeps winning, that's all that matters.
You sound like good old Donnie there. We can
Yeah.
do it all. We can bring
We do
the
it all.
baby.
Whatever you want. Baby Billy, I just need an 8-ball and $1 million. Randy, that's all I need.
It is Friday.
It
sounds
is
great.
Friday. I need a double break winner on all 3 indices. That's all I need. Oh, I got it.
Ev,
Nice.
hold on. The
Hold
bigger
on.
question is, Ev, what
Oh.
flavor of Ciroc are you getting tonight?
Ciroc.
Which
Haven't
one
heard
you
that in a while. Oh, jeez. Bring me back to
Whatever
high
Diddy
school,
orders.
Randy.
Whatever Diddy brings
Whenever
around.
Diddy orders. Yeah, you can't drink that anymore. I didn't even think about that, dude. Because of Diddy, you can't even drink Ciroc anymore. It's like drinking baby oil.
Yeah.
Can't use baby
drinking
oil, can't
baby
drink.
oil.
Dude, I can't
No,
use
look at
baby
this
oil
stuff.
no more, and I can't drink Ciroc. This shit sucks, bro.
That sucks.
We should go make a meme to go to the grocery store and load up our cart with Ciroc and baby oil and walk around the grocery store with it.
Called the Diddy package. It's a Diddy care package. I asked Leo, I was like, what do you want to be for Halloween? He said a pumpkin. So maybe now you got me thinking, Randy, we could dress up as Diddy for Halloween. It's not too soon for that, right? Like, she's been in jail. We could be old Diddy. Baby oil in a shopping cart. He's all looking homeless, like jail Diddy. You know what I'm saying? That's the
We'll be
costume.
different faces. Different
Oh,
faces. with
man.
Diddy.
Different faces of Diddy. Yeah, which one do you want to be? You could be Puff Daddy.
Okay.
Randy, you be when he was been calling himself Love before he went to jail. When he was like, I'm Love, and I'll be the one where he's doing that dance after Biggie died.
The Diddy
on the
dance.
stage. The Diddy
Yeah.
dance. The Backstreet Boys of Diddy.
Oh, man. So good.
Be a great trade.
Okay, everybody. Yeah,
Great
let's
week.
pause it.
Back at it
We'll
again
be back
on Monday.
Yep.
Study up features
And,
101 and 2.0 over the weekend and keep up to date with the YouTube videos. I dropped one yesterday on the Elite Access accounts from Top 1 Futures. Anyone that didn't watch that, just breaking down the funded rules, the eval rules. They're still all 55% off right now and gets you into the giveaway. So lots to watch over the weekend, but don't do too much. Take a break today and Saturday and then get ready for Monday on Sunday.
I got a call with Brian Shannon in 10 minutes, so
Oh, can I
Nice.
Nice. Yeah.
nope, you can't.
let me know if you ask about me.
How's Evan doing?
I'll do that, Evan. I would
Who's
definitely
the
do.
one that gave a great
How's that
Just
presentation.
tell him Evan
on
said
Vivo?
hi.
That guy at the
You
boot
know that,
camp was like the
Snow Prince looking motherfucker you had.
Yeah.
How's he doing? How's he
Yeah.
doing?
me and him traded so similarly. It was just like so shocking when he was presenting in Tampa.
You still call him White Lightning?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Okay, see you, everybody. Rohan, send me a message.
Love you,
Winner,
chat.
send me a message. We'll see you on
See you,
Monday.
chat.